There's a lawyer with a vision, one of a kind. He's the Aussie Overlaw'd. He'll fight for your rights, and he's got his own channel shining bright. From the courtroom to the web, he's got it all. Sharing legal knowledge, answering the call. He breaks it down in a language we all understand. The Aussie Overlaw'd taking a stand. With his Aussie charm and his legal know-how, he's a hero we need, showing us how. He fights for justice, no case too tough. The Aussie Overlaw'd, he's more than enough. He's more than enough. In Melbourne town, where the suits all grind, there's a lawyer with a vision, one of a kind. He's the Aussie Overlaw'd. He'll fight for your rights, and he's got his own channel shining bright. From the courtroom to the web, he's got it all. Sharing legal knowledge, answering the call. He breaks it down in a language we all understand. The Aussie Overlaw'd taking a stand. With his Aussie charm and his legal know-how, he's a hero we need, showing us how. He fights for justice.
And good afternoon, good evening, and good night, and welcome to today's episode of To Be Advised. Hope everyone's doing well. Yeah, look, I mean, after the Lego stream, I wasn't 100% sure whether or not I'd be doing much, but I was going to be doing the Retro Trial rewatch. However, seeing as how today my short about one of the bad cop things that we reviewed hit 63,000 views, I thought maybe I'd double down on the content, you know? I'm just shy of almost the 31,700 mark in terms of subscribers. Look how much this number has jumped in a day. I am shocked, I tell you. But so what we're gonna do is we'll go through some we've got some more soft sit stuff. We've got some Karens. We got a couple of cop things as well. In particular, a police officer who arrested a fire chief and may or may not have used excessive force. So we're gonna have a quick look at that one as well. But yeah. Oh, and I've finalized details, so we can talk about the fun run. I'll do that in a second too. But in the meantime, let's get stuck into it, shall we? Welcome to today's episode of To Be Advised. Wow, one of these days I'm gonna get that right. Alright, thanks Tinge, I saw that one. Very much appreciate it.
Mathilde Heenan, has donated 2.00 and says hello from the Netherlands.
Thank you very much, Matilda, and thank you for the $2 super chat. Also, there are your $11 bucks back. Very much appreciate it. And thank you so much for watching from the Netherlands. I have no idea why I would be entertaining in the Netherlands, but I'm very happy, and you are very welcome to be here, and thank you so much. So this is where we're gonna get started with, it's a father accusing police officers of excessive force. This one is not really soft sit or Karen. It's more just I wanted to cover this one very briefly because it kind of needs a little bit more coverage, shall we say. Also, I did see before that My Pet Goldfish dropped a membership. Appreciate
Pet
that.
Goldfish 101 has donated 1 gifted and says gifted 1 law, news and laughter with Aussie Overlaw'd memberships.
So I've already taken that off, so that means we are 9 away from turning off the ads. All right, let's get stuck into it, shall we?
Father is accusing a police officer of excessive force. Thanks for joining us for the news at 11. I'm Chris Fry. And this isn't the first time that officer has been accused of something like this.
Of course not.
Kelly Kennedy with the video that you'll see on just one station.
Jesus.
On July 21st, Elyria police responded to Melvin Lane for a dispute between neighbors. 24-year-old Chris Johnson was at his aunt's house. Police knocked on the door and said they had a warrant for his arrest.
You got a warrant? Come here. I don't, because I just went to court on Friday.
Johnson tried to shut the door on Sergeant Walker. Johnson's fiance captured what happened next on her cell phone.
Oh my God! That's 5 broken bones.
He just slammed the door on me. Now get back.
Who the fuck cares?
I was
Doesn't entitled to
100%
that
afraid
shit.
for my life because I knew in that moment that I couldn't even fight back.
The video shows
Yeah, probably
Sergeant
just don't.
Walker put his hands around Johnson's throat and his knee on his chest. I also got my hands on Elyria police body camera video, but it appears Walker's camera wasn't on because none of the angles we received were from his point of view.
Who's shot?
This isn't the first time Sergeant Walker has been accused of excessive force. In September 2021, then Officer Michael Walker was placed on paid administrative leave after this video surfaced online. The arrest happened on the same block, Melvin Lane. Walker was later cleared of all charges in that incident.
I don't think that there should be a cop able to just grab somebody up by their throats. That's definitely breaking protocol.
Johnson spoke at the Elyria City Council meeting.
EPD needs to be held accountable. Something needs to change.
So the warrant in question, a temporary protection order against Johnson filed by his fiancée that he broke when he came over to protect her from a dispute with neighbors over a stray cat. We covered it back in May. The incident ended with Johnson being attacked and stabbed by 3 neighbors. He says police told him they weren't going to charge him for violating the TPO given the circumstances.
The only thing that I know Sergeant Walker has got in trouble for, but not really in trouble for, it was probably a slap on the wrist, was not having his body camera on. But he's still out on patrol now.
Johnson was charged with assaulting a police officer and obstructing official business for this incident. 19 News requested Walker's personnel file. We also asked police if they had opened up an investigation. Well, the chief got back to me saying the officer's behavior was consistent with their policies and procedures.
That's not what you want to
Reporting
hear.
in Elyria, I'm Kelly Kennedy, 19 News.
It's consistent with their policies. Can't say I'm shocked by that. Anyway, let's get stuck into something more interesting. Here's why you shouldn't plan to kill your husband. Apparently, allegedly. Also, all credit to Midwest Safety.
She wants to try to kill me, honestly. Removed all weapons and everything from the house for my protection.
You seem stable.
Stop! Wait, stop! Oh, wait, stop! What? Ah, get away from me! I'll fucking your face.
Don't touch the car.
Mindy, stop. Stay back there. Stop.
Why are you yelling
Stop.
at me?
Go back there like I just said.
Why are you yelling at me?
Go back there now.
I'll step back. I ain't going in.
What's the problem today?
That motherfucker wouldn't take me to the damn store before he went to work. I've been asking this forever to take me to the store. That's it. Then he told me I couldn't get to I told him I didn't fucking need him to tell, but the store can tell my Sorry.
She's flipping out again today. So I'm trying to leave. She wants me to take her to Walgreens to get a glucose monitor. I said, you have to have a prescription for that. Turn this way so she can't hear me. I'm sorry. She climbed up on top of the car again, beat the car.
Oh,
So
yeah.
this is,
I try to get as many
She just
Karens
did
in
all
as
this
we
just now. The hood, kicked the side of it, up on the roof, dents all over the back of it, trunk, she's beating it with her phone. I've got video of her on top of it. She wouldn't let me leave. I want to go to work.
Hey, Brizzy, go.
Hanging on top of it, said, you know, take me to Walgreens. Refuses to get off unless I take her to Walgreens. Threw her cereal on the car.
Did she make any comments about self-harm or anything like that?
No, she said she wanted to kill me.
Did you guys get into any kind of physical altercation today?
As long as he don't step to me, it's cool.
Do what?
I hit the car. As long as he doesn't step to me, it's fine. When he comes at me, then he comes at me. I don't want that phone in my face recording me. He's been showing my kids different recordings. And I know that because then when I see them, they're doing the shit I've been doing. Making the faces I was making. I'm not a complete dumbass. Sorry, I don't want to curse the news. I'm not a complete dumb person, okay? I got mental issues, but it's
more
because
than a
my brain, I
prescription for
just can't
glucose
click.
monitor.
And then the phone works, and then it doesn't work, and then I can't get no one to call me back.
What'd she say? I'm going to have your head on a platter. So what I'm doing right now, if I can leave, I'm going to file a protective order.
Yeah.
And
because you have one for the kids.
I've got one for the kids. I'm adding myself. There it is.
My life, our children.
I'm very confused right now.
Have your head on a platter.
If you already have a protective order against it for the children, why is she within the distance of the house?
Okay, so you weren't in fear for your safety reference?
Not at that
saying
point because I was in the garage and she was standing out here. Okay. So I mean, I have a retreat. But it's at night. I'm afraid for my life.
Yeah.
I spend the whole time in the basement. So that's at this point. That's why I'm going to add myself to the protective order.
Okay.
So, did it get physical today?
I don't remember.
You don't remember?
Yeah, it kind of did because then he comes at me and I'm going to f*** his face up if he comes at me.
It kind of did. Can you explain?
Because I hit the car and then he came at me and then I tried to get the phone out of my face because I can't have someone badgering me, trying to record me all the damn time. He's already done that. This is all he does is watch that. A wife can't have a relationship when you just watch the damn
Do you know why? Do you know why he was recording you or anything?
Yeah, because I'm acting up. I know why he's recording me.
Did you
I
rip
got
out
on top of the car. I want to go to the store, sir. That's it.
Did you rip out a camera or something? Is that
Yes,
what that
he
is?
keeps putting his stuff up there. He keeps wanting places to record me, and I'm tired of that. I'm going to take it down every time. I don't need no damn camera in my... I don't need nothing. I'm going to take the locks off the door. I'm afraid of him. I'm afraid of him, and I don't like him. He's coming
What is
at me.
taking the locks off the door going to do?
Weird him out. Maybe he won't come back to this home. I invite everybody in my home.
That way I can stay here.
So you were in the car
That's
and
not
she was
dangerous
beating
at
the
all.
car, you said?
No, I wanted to get in the car. She was on the car, beating the car.
Where were you at in relation to that?
Just behind the car, and then I also went inside. So I went inside to try to de-escalate it, hoping that
What was she hitting the car with?
her cell phone.
Okay.
So she's beating the car with her cell phone.
Okay. Did she make any other threats towards you or anything like that?
Yeah, she's very smart about stopping where to draw that line.
Was there anything physical today?
No.
Nothing physical. She just hit your phone. She didn't try to hit you, right?
She didn't try to hit me, other than when you saw that first video, when she came at me.
She just hit your phone in that, though,
Well,
right?
she hit my hand and the phone, knocked it out.
Okay.
When I got home from the hospital, he put his hands in here on me to get me. Then he walked away and said, I'm calling the cops to get a protection order on you. I said, mother, you just put your hands in here on me. You damn dumbass.
So, can you describe what happened today?
Yeah.
You said he had the phone in your face recording you. Why was he doing that?
Because I'm acting up, because I want to go to the store. My community doesn't want to hear me gripe anymore.
Okay.
They just need a man if he's going to come back and forth in the home.
So where were you guys at when
Out
he was
here.
recording you?
Out here.
Where at out here?
I don't know. I try to bring it all out here so everybody can see. My
Okay.
questions, anything I ask him, I try to open my door. So, I want to open my door so people can hear how many times I have to ask him and how much I have to beg and how long I have to wait.
Okay, so when he was recording you, what exactly were you doing?
I don't know, yelling
Pull
at
a
him
cab
and get that
or
phone
an
out of my
Uber
face.
or get a
And then what
bus,
did you do?
like most
Smack it
crazy
out.
people.
Did you?
I don't want to come at him. I don't want to hurt
Did
him.
you
but
hit him?
No. If he comes at me, I'm going to smack you out of the way.
Did he hit you?
And I remember, no.
14-hour 24 checkup.
We've separated real quick, so it was cool. But he can't do anything. If I want to hit this motherfucking car in my driveway, and he won't give me a damn key to,
Did he make any threats to you?
not that I remember or know of.
Did
Except
you make
for,
any threats to him?
No.
Except
I'll hit you if you don't get out of my way or get away from me. Yeah. He's been living in a basement
conditional
for 6
threats,
months.
nothing illegal
You see
there.
it, right?
What does it have to do with this?
He comes in and out. He's living in the basement. This is not good. I want a protection order to keep him out of my home, sir.
Hang tight for a second, ma'am. What were her words again?
That she didn't have my head on a platter or something along those lines.
What did you interpret that as?
Well, I think she wants to try to kill me, honestly.
Okay.
Like I said, I've removed all weapons and everything from the house for my protection. Because it's...
Did you perceive that as a threat to physical harm?
It sounded like a threat to me. So, yeah.
Are you concerned that maybe not at that time that she was going to do it in a second, but do you think by her making that threat that it's something that she could potentially act
I think it's something that she could do in the future. As many times as she said it,
if given the opportunity,
I think she would.
I'm gonna go to Texas and check on my daughter. He wouldn't let me. He wouldn't even take me for a ride. He doesn't even take me for a ride. I can't even get out of the house. It's opposite anything. I want a lawyer. I
Neighborhood cat
for
just sitting in the
mental,
window.
physical, and emotional
Yeah,
abuse.
this ain't the
I wanna
first
file
time.
a
Just
report.
Calm down, please.
I got an ex that came in and got my kids, and then everything just went whatever, haywire, which is fine. But he wouldn't let me have any communication. He tells me my kids don't want nothing to do with me. He's ran his mouth to my kids while I'm a surviving woman after surgery. He didn't help bring me up. He didn't even hardly bring me food in a room when I was on my deathbed. This man right here is disgusting. I don't even want him in my house. Yes,
Go ahead
sir.
and turn around, put your hands in the car for me, okay?
No, why?
Put
I
the
want
hands
you
on the
to
car.
tell me why.
You're under arrest for domestic violence.
For what now?
Put your hands on your back. Put your hands behind your
Here
back.
we go. Game on.
Ow! Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me, please. Don't fucking hurt me. Please, I don't want to bite you. Oh my fucker, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. I knew you were gonna take me. Don't hurt me. You're hurting me. You're hurting me. You're hurting me, sir. Ow! Ah!
Relax.
No, I'm not. Liar.
Now you're getting more charges.
No, I'm not. I know.
Resisting arrest.
God bless you, sir. I love you.
Stand up.
I'm hurting.
Spit the grass out.
Why? I don't want to. I don't want to spit the grass out. I don't want to spit the grass out.
Do you have anything on you?
No. I don't want to spit the grass out.
Spit the
What
grass
she
out.
do? She dinged up her partner's car. I mean,
Spit the
he's
grass
already-
out.
the family's got like
Because it's disgusting.
fines orders against her.
We don't need it in the car.
And
I
like,
don't want to be there.
it does
Spit
seem
the
like
grass
she probably
out.
needs a little bit of mental assistance.
Spit the grass out.
Take it out.
Spit the grass out, man.
I take it out.
Spit the grass out.
I take it out. I won't bite you.
Thanks. You want to get more
Sounds like a
charges?
good promise. No, I don't.
Spit the grass out. Let's go.
I hate my husband.
Oh
Please
yeah,
help me.
she wanted him to take her to Walgreens,
Let's go. Spit
and he
it
said
out.
no.
No, I hate my husband. Help me.
Spit the grass out.
Help me.
Does that taste good?
Help me. Help me.
Why did you eat grass?
Because my husband's fucking with me.
Are you going to spit it out or do you want to leave it in your mouth?
I want to leave it.
Okay.
Thank you. No, I want you to take it out.
That's it.
I don't have anything anyway.
After her arrest, her sister arrives at the scene and immediately begins making startling accusations.
I'm sorry, you guys.
He doesn't want us on his property, and Mindy, they took Mindy to jail for domestic violence.
Of course, she played right into his hands because she's an addict. He's got her on opioids and had her on opioids, and we didn't even know about it he didn't even tell us until like a year and a half ago. He hid her addiction so he could control her because she wants a divorce from him, and he was not going to let her go. And I'll tell you something else too. I know he's got an insurance policy on her too. He's waiting for her to die. She's probably weighs 85 pounds, and I just had her at Claremont County, Greater Cincinnati Behavior Center just the other day, and I think she weighed 85 pounds with her clothes on. He's waiting for her to die. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Well, I can tell you he's sought a lot of help, and we've tried to help as much as we can. We've brought resources to her. We've offered to take her to resources, and she has not been cooperative.
No, she hasn't.
I've been here myself. This is probably the 4th time. So our office has probably been here 20 times.
Oh, more than that. Probably just in February, you've been here 20 times.
Yeah, 47, I believe, is my email I got from your department.
So, I mean, she's got to be willing to a certain extent to help herself unless there's a court order that forces her to help.
That's
herself.
why I took her down to behavioral health to get her evaluation that he was supposed to do 5 weeks ago. But see, he's dragging his tail doing anything. Right now, he's currently under educational neglect because my 7-year-old granddaughter is supposed to be in school. Both of those kids are with me right now. They've been with me for almost a month now because I told him, I said, you either do something or I'm going to take them away from you. And that's the only reason I have him. He went to court. But when they went to court, he never summoned any of us to be there because he don't want none of us telling the court what he's doing. And I'll tell you something else, too. You don't want us on his property because he's got a little black box in the woods that he keeps on a leash and he pulls it out at night all the freaking time because he's drugging her with something. Both of his parents are nurses, psychiatric nurses. He's not a stupid man. He's been in the Air Force. He knows what he's doing. He's manipulating the system so that he can destroy her. That's what he's doing. And you better wrap your head around it. Because what I'm telling you is the honest God truth.
I can tell you if he's trying to manipulate the system, he's taking a long way around because he could have.
Because he's
well,
a
let me
presenter.
finish.
He's a presenter.
Well, let me finish. He could have easily got a protection order and her out of the house a long time ago.
Oh, yeah, he could.
And he did not do that. And he expressed to us multiple times that he didn't want to have to put her in jail, that he wants her to get help. I can tell you that he's tried with us and with her and with, mental crisis to come out, We've tried a lot of things to try to get her help, and she absolutely refuses to go to the hospital every time unless we have something to force her. We can't make her go. We've offered Greater Cincinnati Behavioral Health. I mean, she's talked to Mobile Crisis multiple times. There's only so much we can do.
How long are you keeping her?
What do you mean?
For right now.
So she'll have a bond hearing tomorrow morning. Should be tomorrow morning. I doubt she'll have one today.
Can I go there?
To the bond hearing? Yeah, it's open to the public. So, is there any court order that says that you have to have the kids?
Well, let me see if I have a copy of it. Right here, somewhere here.
Currently staying with maternal grandparents?
Yes, that's us.
Okay. Well, that's not part of the order that they have to stay with you, and at this point he wants the kids back.
Nothing can be changed on that.
Until a judge approves.
But that's not what the order is. That's notes and evidence towards the case.
Right.
And it establishes him as the legal custodian.
Right, I understand that. But we had an agreement. I was taking care of the kids and he was taking care of her. But when I found out
she's in jail and
listen to me, when I found out that she was abusing her, that's all off the table, right then and there. And that happened about 3 days ago.
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about
that I have of him putting his hands on her.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have that?
Yes.
So I'm just telling you, right there. And I don't mean to be disrespectful, and I apologize for interrupting you, but this is just way too much. Way too much.
That's the one.
I don't want these children to be with someone that's violent. He's violent.
Well, we don't have any evidence of him being violent, or of him having mental health issues, or him having drug issues. But I don't know if you've seen their house.
No,
There's a lot of evidence of her
yeah, he
having
doesn't have drug. He just has burn issues and all that stuff. That's his drug of choice. Every night. But I'm glad you big men showed up here today. I appreciate that.
I mean, like I said, we've begged and pleaded her to try to get help,
Yeah, she hides her addiction, and he hid it too. He hid it from her whole entire family.
He knows what the story is, and he's not having to borrow.
One thing I'll say about this is...
And she told me about it, and she said, he's going to hurt me if I tell you, but I'm going to tell you, Mom, I've been on opioids. He never wanted me to find out. That's a man that really wants to protect his wife and make her get well. I begged him to put her in the treatment program. Begged. He wouldn't do it.
Well, she has to be voluntarily,
he can do it through the court system. He did this through the court system.
Right,
he could have done that through the court system. I already called them. He could have taken guardianship and put her in treatment, and he didn't want to. He's letting her deteriorate. Can't you look at her and see that?
I mean, like I said, we're limited on what we can do to force her to get help. She's been offered, I don't know how many times, tons of times.
I know.
And if she's an adult and she's not willing to get help, then...
As soon as he did that, he took her phone so she couldn't call 911. That's what he does. You don't understand. He manipulates the whole entire situation.
My question here is, given that he no longer wants a relation with her and relationship with her, and he's like,
the company won't deliver them to Indiana.
He's checked out.
That's a bunch of crap.
Why?
There's syringes being delivered here, and he's hiding something in the woods. I don't know.
Why would he even try?
I have no idea what's going on here.
And like go through the courts.
I want her blood taken. Yeah, I would like to have her.
So what do you think he would be drugging her with?
I don't know. Because all of a sudden she started ending up with sores all down her face. If she doesn't go anywhere, he goes to work or goes to the store anywhere. She is held here, but she can't. She doesn't have transportation to go anywhere.
So you think he's injecting her without her knowing?
Yes,
How would he do that?
Because he's putting her to sleep at night.
What makes you rule out the factor that she's voluntarily using
Doing
herself?
it herself?
Yeah.
No way. There's no way. I'm going to tell you what she does because I've seen her do it. She takes a half of her oxycodone, not the whole entire thing, and she takes a half of an ibuprofen with that for her pain because she had 2 operations on her spine, and that's all.
I have to go because we have calls pending.
I know.
But I can tell you this: you have to give him the kids back.
When?
Immediately. So he wants the kids.
I want
so
a judge to tell
I'm
her
not
that.
even speaking to him.
It's not. It doesn't take a judge. Okay. These are the orders that we act upon, and it says that he is the legal parent and guardian of the children. So if you don't give the kids over, then it's interference with custody.
Right.
I just want you to be aware of that.
Then what happens?
You go to jail.
I don't go to jail. I got to go to court.
Yeah, you go to jail for interference with custody. You'll be
Don't take
arrested.
his side.
Having an insurance policy on your spouse, especially if you have kids, is really pretty normal. And also not wanting to tell your in-laws about your spouse's addiction, that also seems pretty normal. The problem with some of these accusations is they're rather circumstantial, and being wrong about the court order probably doesn't help the case. All in all, it looks like there's a lot going on in the story, and that's one reason why we wanted to bring it to you.
She was charged with domestic violence and resisting arrest. She is innocent until proven guilty.
Huh. State boys! Let's see what we got from Ohio, sorry. That one was really nuts. I mean, obviously the mother was making all kinds of accusations and all that sort of stuff. What's in the box? Well, it's a damn good question. I mean, there's no definitive proof that the box ever existed. I mean, I'd say that he hasn't been dealing with a box in quite some time, frankly. I don't keep you drugged up. You're the reason I take drugs. That face was domestic violence. Oh. This one should be interesting because this one I understand ends in a pit maneuver.
823 13 Kentucky, Frank 2 Edward 767. Frank 2 Edward 767.
How you doing, sir? Driver's license with you? Yeah, you didn't use your turn signal when you got off 23 onto the bypass there. Sir.
Yes, I'm well aware drugs are expensive.
Yes, sir. What is it, buddy? You're not driving? He's driving. I'm not driving.
So interference with custody is literally kidnapping, but when it's a family member. So, for example, if there's a family court order in place and one spouse is supposed to have custody of the kids over the other, if one of the parents takes off, it's not strictly kidnapping as much as it is interference with custody. It's when the kidnapper is basically known to the child and they're a family member. It has, in most cases, it will have a slightly lesser consequence. In some cases, it has a higher consequence. So,
You're driving, sir. I need your driver's license, please. I'm not driving. Sir? I'm traveling. I'm also traveling in a foreign. I'm not traveling in a foreign with the passenger. This is a public highway, right? I'm in a private vehicle. Driving in the state of Ohio on a public road is a privilege. Traveling on a public road paid with taxpayers' money is a privilege, which you're required to have an Ohio driver's license or a state driver's license. Buddy, listen, I'm not going to mess with you. You can either give me a driver's license
I'll go back and look in a minute.
Get you out of the car and we'll place you under arrest. No, I'm recording right here. You can record it, but you're going to give me a driver's license. It's right there, buddy. Recording, it's red. It's red, it's flashing.
Dude, get the hell out of the car.
All right, buddy. What you're doing is illegal. Whoa. Yes, what are you doing? Nope.
And we're off and running. We're off to the races.
The driver refused ID himself. Pursuit, southbound 13.
Morning, Caleb.
Please stop. We're southbound.
Quite probably great success.
Force with the task me to that. I'm by myself.
Chief amongst which was the fact that he probably wasn't wearing pants.
Yeah, they get pissed off again. We just let him come back out.
Glad I didn't put the music on for this one. Come on, get to it.
I'll be set up at 52 and 650. Good night, you better, bud. I'm at the 37 now.
We're in the middle of the Mercury Glade, so hopefully we get reasonably close. I skipped over like 10 minutes of crap, so. Oh, there we go. Oh, come on, did you really need to run?
Keep your hands up! Keep your hands up! 784 track up.
Glennis, I kind of feel like it was a little bit lackluster.
Keep your hands up! On the ground! On the ground! On the ground! On the ground now! On the ground! On the ground! Don't let him kill me! 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 I think it scares me. I don't have anything. I don't have anything.
Oh, body cam fell off.
I don't have anything. I don't have anything. My hands are free. I'm not doing anything. Don't kill me, bro. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Don't kill me.
Yeah, dude, I can honestly say that your hands are not free when you're pinned to the ground.
Go over.
I make a very bad joke there, but I'll leave it.
I want to you guys that way. Give me your arm.
See, this is where they can be saying stop resisting.
Right here, turn.
And sir, I find your dress offensive. Not the fact that you're wearing one, but the colour and the pattern are hideous.
Okay, we got it. Alright, but let me invite you your rights real quick.
I'm gonna read you your rights real quick while you're face down on the thing. That's fair, Jerome. He was not. Doesn't mean he's not going to. It hasn't so far. He's pretty popular in jail with that outfit. That reminds me of your grandmother. That's funny. Oh, too soon, Jaron, too soon. Carlos in the house. Hello, Carlos. Whoa! Contact! All of a sudden, the dude's treating it like a rally stage. Derby, thank you. That's what I got my events crossed over. Thank you.
Yeah, 926 started.
Oh, he's still going. He's off and running again. This dude's gonna get face planted. Calling it right now.
Hands! Let me see your hands! Open the door! Open the door! Hands! Get off guard! Get off guard! Get on the ground!
Get off the car!
Get up!
Yeah, I do feel like the cops got away pretty easy on that one.
You messed up my car!
You messed up my car!
Can I get my phone? Hell no!
That's cool.
I ain't even got nothing on me. What you following me for? Why you messing with me for, bro? You messed up my car. I care less about your car. You putting people in danger. Bro, you messed up my car.
No one gives a flying fuck about your car. How's the Lego project going? I am not anywhere near almost done. But I tell you what, this thing is gonna be like freaking massive. I just put the mast on it.
I got it all okay. How you doing, sir?
Making progress.
Yes, sir.
Still messing with the baseboard. Maybe.
Monte Brown.
Say it again?
Monte Brown.
All right, say it one more time.
Monte Brown.
Brown?
Yes.
M-O-N-T-E?
No, B-R-O-W-N-D. B-R-O-W-N.
Yeah, what's your first name? M-O-N-T-E?
No,
oh my God.
K-A-M-O-N-T-A-E.
Jamonte.
Camonte.
K-A-M-O-N-T-E.
Oh yeah, I finished Voltron. Voltron's over my side, over my shoulder. That too was freaking massive. Him sitting in the back of the car bitching. I don't think we need anything else on that. Body cam release of North Texas Deputy Fire Chief arrest for drunk driving. Oh, this is a different one.
Hey, bud. What's going on? You all right? No. Hey, you know me, right? Yep. Okay, let go of that, Franklin. Look at me. Hey, Franklin, look at me. Okay? You are not normal. Look at me. We've been friends, okay? You are not normal right now, okay? What's going on today? Just hold my hands. What's going on? Talk to me. Use your words. Trying to figure it out. Trying to figure it out? Okay. All right. I need you to get out of the vehicle for me, okay? You gonna let me help you, right? Okay. All right. Step out for me. Come on. You got it. Let me hold your hands, okay? Okay. Come on, my friend. Come on. Come on. Walk with me, okay? What's going on? Lean against the car. What's going on?
Where in Texas is this?
You want to go home? Okay.
This is North Texas.
How are you feeling? You You don't look too good.
Thanks.
Dude is gone.
You need me to have you guys check you out?
No.
Probably need to.
No.
Listen, hey, I know you may not want your guys to check you out. You want me to maybe get AMR to come check you out?
Sure, brother.
Because you're not looking too right. You take some meds today? You take some meds today?
No.
You do some drinking?
Yeah.
You did? Okay, so that's what's going on?
He hasn't munted yet, but he's getting damn close.
A lot.
Okay. All right.
I'm sorry.
That's all right. Hey, we're good friends. I'll help you through this, okay? You and I both know it's going to be an issue, but you're not here alone, okay? You got friends with you, all right? So you let me help you, okay? All right? Okay. All right, my friend.
Bad days.
Okay.
Can do that.
And
they have to make their request for article.
Oh, hello.
You're gonna see Carlin, nice to meet you.
You too.
I think he's a happy
Franklin.
There you go. Scooch back. It's tight. You're a big guy, and that's a tight spot. There you go. Perfect.
Hey,
Watch your hands.
I'll put some air to you, okay, so you can cool off. You're gonna have to sit. You're gonna have to sit tight for me for a while, because I gotta talk to your boss. Okay.
Even though
Huh? But he's the one that called me.
Oh shit! It was the fire chief that called them.
He didn't want to call anybody else. He called me. I would have come from home. Okay. Hey, so there's damage on the side of the vehicle. Do you know what you hit? Yeah, on the city vehicle.
no, I didn't have nothing, dude.
You didn't hit anything? Do you know where the damage came from? Was the damage there before?
It could have been.
Okay.
Sorry, Chris.
You're trying to be his mate, you're trying to get him out of it, but at the same time you're asking him incriminating questions. Well done, officer.
So I'm asking.
I want to be honest. I don't know.
Okay. All right.
I'm
No worries.
sorry.
See you, Deanna.
Okay. But you don't know what you hit?
I didn't hit
He doesn't know what he hit. Oh god. Okay, so Ontario Deputy Fire Chief admits to driving drunk in city vehicle, arrest video shows. Newly obtained video from, this was from July 4th. Shows the moment an officer found former Deputy Fire Chief Robert Franklin slumped over the wheel of a fire department SUV behind the fire station. A woman whose car broke down frantically dialed 911 to report a complaint about Franklin, who had come to assist her, saying he was acting oddly and inappropriately. Oh shit. He was drunk when he responded to a call. He was ultimately charged with DWI and initially placed on administrative leave, but chose to retire. Classy. He kept swerving, acting like there was something wrong with him, and I asked him, "Sir, are you okay?" He was like, No, I'm not okay at all. Don't even know if it was a game for him or something. Don't know what he thought, but it had me very uncomfortable. After DWI, police documents reveal his blood alcohol content was 0.234, nearly 3 times the legal limit. Next court date is scheduled for October 21.
Nothing today?
Buddy.
Okay.
No, I would be honest.
Okay.
But I'm drunk off my ass.
Okay.
And I'm sorry, Chris.
Okay. All right. So go ahead and step out for me real quick. I need you to stand up. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Are we 10-15?
Yep.
We are?
Yep. That's all right. Just stand up right here, okay?
All right.
Listen, Franklin, okay?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any knives, bombs, bullets, grenades on you?
Oh, my gosh. No.
It's okay. We got
No
it.
way, buddy.
Listen, I'm just checking to make sure for your safety, okay?
Absolutely. Just take what you need.
All right, my friend. Okay. Go ahead and have a seat. Well, turn around. We're going to put you in handcuffs, okay?
Yeah, no problem.
Hey, Franklin, I'm putting you under arrest, but you're under arrest for public intoxication, okay?
I understand.
All right.
I trust you, Chris.
All right.
What?
up on the...
I think the rest of this is just them getting him in the car.
Buddy, I'm gonna be with you this whole way, okay?
Alright, Stingy keeps going on about how he's got another good one to show. Well, I'm not quite sure what you're saying. Oh, there it is. Solve Sit gets tased twice as he misses... Oh, yeah. Hang on. Actually, I think I have this one open. What the hell? I'll open it again just in case.
Come on back.
Yeah, no, I already got it.
Just relax.
No,
Stop.
Stop.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back right now. Get down. Get down on the ground.
For a traffic stop where a sovereign citizen father feels the full force of not one but two tasers when he resists arrest in front of his kids, and then the mother fights with the police and uses them as a shield to prevent hers, and then to top it all plays dead to freak them out even more following a traffic stop for driving on fake plates. Yep, it's going to be one of those kind of videos, guys. Let's get into it.
187 2 Central.
187.
We're going to be going out with black Audi Q7, 47 West at Clarksfield. Could you have another unit respond? There's no license plate.
Oh, that before I put that on.
9013.
Well, you can kind of understand why the tasers would be mostly
And
used
90, be
in this
advised,
instance.
there's at least 2 occupants.
And if you're not even really going to feel it, bullshit.
Get the driver out. Hey, driver, step on out for me. Step on out for me, okay?
On my own fruition.
All right, man, come on back. Just relax. Relax.
No,
Stop. Stop. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back right now. Put your hands behind your back.
From 0 to 100.
Put your hands.
We are calling the...
That's it. That's it. Taser.
I mean, that's real.
Get down on the ground. Get down on the ground. Get down on the ground right now. Get down. Get down. Get down. Get down. Get down. Get down on the ground. Put your hands behind your back.
On your stomach.
Stop. Stay in the car.
You're doing this in front of our kids, says the crazy screaming banshee hanging out of her car, and the father on the floor full of taser wire playing the victim following a poor attempt to resist arrest.
Yeah. Stay in the car. Stay in the car.
On your stomach now.
Get on your stomach. You're going to get it again.
On your stomach.
Get on your stomach. You're going to get it again.
On your stomach.
I got it.
I'm trying, sweetheart. I am trying to find Roger Taylor's number.
Oh, you get back in the car right now. You're going to be placed under arrest. Now,
I'm wondering if you guys are under influence or something.
Release your hands.
That,
You did not read me
like,
my rights.
tasers.
You did not go over
Really
anything.
something.
You did no. You asserted yourself and you violated my rights. All of them.
Very well.
All of them. Read the paperwork you're standing on.
Okay, first of all, watch your mouth. You've got impressionable kids in the car who listen and learn every word you say, so do better. Secondly, I could think of no better place for your right to travel paperwork to be than under the shoe of a cop. And finally, of course, he doesn't understand his Miranda rights.
Right now. Ma'am, get back in the car right now. Have a seat. Have a seat in your car. I'm going to place you under arrest. Have a seat in your car.
I am in my
Sit back in the car. Sit back in the car, ma'am. Ma'am, have a seat in your car. Ma'am, have a seat in your vehicle. Right here. Right over here.
Stay out of the driver's seat,
right here in the
dumbass.
passenger seat. I'm going to place you under arrest. This is the last time I'm telling you. This is the last time. Stay right here. If you move from here again, you're going to be stopped. You're going to be placed under arrest. Do you understand? Yes or no? Do you understand? If you move from this seat, you're going to go to...
I do not stand under you.
Yeah, tell that to your other half who is quite literally standing under police authority on the other side of the car right now with the help of Mr. Sparky, two Mr. Sparkies. Also, remember that he gave her a warning to stay where she is or she'll be going to jail as well.
I'm willing to bet that is not a warning.
You need to read all that paperwork right there. No, stand the fuck up. You need to read that paperwork.
And how disheartening is it to hear the poor brainwashed kid shout, "This is illegal," from the back of the seat?
All right, you are ignoring and you are violating my rights. All of them. I'm going to make this right in front of the camera, right here.
Well, the camera's right here.
Violating my rights. They have tased me. On top of that, they've done it in front of my family. They are now searching me. I gave them all my information when they tried to take me out of the vehicle. You ripped the taser shit up. What? Dude, calm down. Seriously,
Stop, dude.
I didn't do shit. He went after me.
Quit resisting.
I got out of the car and tried to hand him paperwork.
Yeah, you don't get to
and
do
he
that.
grabbed my arm.
You don't get to do that.
Why don't I get to do that? That's my free right.
Give me
I
a
was
set of
trying to
cuffs.
identify
What?
myself.
Give me a set of cuffs.
Now you violated my right.
Give me a set of cuffs.
He's going through. All in front of my kids.
Yeah, you're in no position to lecture anyone on how to behave in front of children when, one, you and your brain-dead husband have already traumatised them with your screaming and swearing and his poor attempt to resist arrest, and two, what you do next, which, in my opinion, is one of the lowest things a parent can do to prevent arrest.
And yeah, he said for her to stay in the passenger seat. I think that's a fair and reasonable instruction at this point in time. You don't want someone that is A, hysterical, but B, behind the... You don't want someone behind the wheel. And specifically, it was a traffic stop where they pulled the guy over whilst he was driving. So no, she absolutely should not have gotten behind the wheel.
Come on.
Stupid.
Come on. Come on. You're under arrest as well. We're sick of you. Come on.
Okay, that's not appropriate.
I told you to stay in the seat. No. Stop. We're done. Get out of the car.
No, I am with my kids.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Do you know what you've done?
My door other side.
You fucked everybody's job here. I was fighting.
I told you to stay in the seat. You did not. Get out of the car. I don't care if you're recording. Get out. Get out.
No.
My kids are right here.
27. Could you have another unit respond? A couple of units.
Please
Come on.
no.
Get out, ma'am. Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
No. No.
Get out of the car. Stop, ma'am. Stop.
Doing this in front of the kids.
Get out of the car.
You are hurting my child. Get your hands off of me.
Come on. Come on. Get out. Get out.
No.
She's actually using them as a human shield.
And all you do is get out.
He's going to have to remove the kids in order to get her out of the car.
Okay? This is foolish.
Foolish doesn't even begin to cover it.
And if you thought jumping into the back seat to use her kids as a shield wasn't bad enough, she traumatises them all over again by pretending to be unconscious.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Holy crap. This is... Yes, call your grandma, sweetie.
At least he was nice to the kids. I mean, I feel like they could be doing more to de-escalate with the kids. But, what the hell?
Come on.
You gotta feel for the grandmother, though. Imagine getting
Come on,
that
wake
call.
up.
Grandma!
Wake up.
Mommy and Daddy are on the ground.
Wake up. Wake up. There you go.
0 out of 10 for your acting skills and minus 10 for doing this in front of your child. You're not going to be, but you should be ashamed of yourself.
Brandon has donated $4.99 and says when you rip a baby out of a woman, presumably suction failed, remember to keep it comfortable.
Thank you for the super chat, let's go.
Expedite for taser.
That's a new one.
So why didn't you stay in your seat?
She's a spoiled brat that doesn't like being told what to do. She thinks that someone on the internet found a magical way to avoid doing anything for the law. it's really scary that the kids have more common sense than anybody else in this situation.
Find the right number?
I don't know my grandma's number. I know where she lives. She lives in Overlaw'd.
Okay.
Right, so while they try to get hold of the grandparents to pick the kids up, let's check on Mr. Delightful to see if he's calmed down at all, but more importantly, to check to see if the taser zapped him out of his delusion. Doubtful, I know.
Yeah, right now! You've assaulted my fucking wife! Let me out, right now!
You're both under arrest.
You! You've assaulted my wife! Read the paper, you dumbass!
They're clear. We have 2 adults in custody.
The paperwork! Read the paperwork, you dumb motherfuckers! I'm in the middle showing your dumbasses!
As you can see, he's doing just fine, so let's leave him there to project and get back to the Oscar nominee for Worst Actress.
No. Okay.
That's a good one.
You're my kids.
Yeah.
It takes a second.
Of course you can, because you did this.
I didn't do anything, but thank you, sir.
I told you 4 or 5 times to stay in your seat. Sweetie, stay in the car. You did not.
I stay in my car and I stay in my car. And then you changed your wording to say stay in your seat.
No, you gotta stay in the car, sweetie.
You're gonna change your wording. Make sure you understand what you're saying.
I'm going to 4th grade soon.
Okay.
If my grandma gets arrested for just picking
Actually,
us up,
the funny thing is my children know their goddamn rights that you're currently violating.
All right. Okay, that's all what court's for.
Yeah, under your UCC. Okay.
The Uniform Commercial Code is a set of regulations that governs commercial transactions and provides a legal contractual framework for doing business across state lines. It has absolutely nothing to do with traffic laws. That belief and your selfish and unhinged behaviour is why you're both in this situation. Congratulations, you're an idiot.
I figured out how to get it. But it was just hard, Mom, because...
You know what? Let's just roll her to the hospital. Okay. Since... Come on.
My grandma wants to talk to an officer.
Why can't you stand up?
She doesn't want to.
Who's got the short straw? Who's going to have to talk to Grandma?
Put her in Iverson's car.
I really am trying. I promise you guys.
Iverson, watch those kids, please.
It all started because it was just a simple traffic stop, and he decided to get out of the car and try and force some soft literature onto them.
We know. We know. You haven't tried to do anything.
Brandon has donated $1.99 and says, what if I want to traffic parts across state lines?
That would be a crime, let's go.
Damn right. We saw enough of you when you were on your back. We don't need the misfortune of seeing your backside as well.
That was recently highlighted in the Harvard University Medical School case.
So this is how you act in front of your kids, huh?
Sir, you're the one that pulled me out.
Yeah, because you're pointing shit out the window. I don't know what you got.
Phone.
Right, so there is another 20 minutes to this video that I will leave a link to that sadly shows how brainwashed the girl is and where the grandparents arrive to collect the children and they find out the car is getting towed for no registration. And then subsequent videos from the hospital where she milks the experience dry, and then footage from the jail where they were both fingerprinted and apparently they spent the following week in jail. But I think that's where I'm going to leave this one, guys. Right. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave me a like, share the video and subscribe.
It's a fair call. I should probably do the same grift. Guys, there's 9 of you watching. If you haven't hit that like button, why not? And thank you, AP, for dropping a membership. Appreciate that, buddy. Congratulations.
AP has donated 1 gifted and says gifted 1 law, news and laughter with Aussie Overlaw'd memberships.
Here's why you don't get legal advice from TikTok.
Happens when the police give someone too many chances.
You can lose your job if you touch me.
Uh-oh, I watched too many TikTok.
Hey, sir. Hello.
Hey, how's it going? Okay, Officer Zelinsky, Chris Lake Police. Can you turn down the music a little bit? Okay, thank you. Do you have your driver's license and your insurance, please?
Why you stop me?
I stopped you because you were swerving. Is there any reason why you're all over the road?
I ate him.
Okay.
I'm not over the road.
If what?
I'm not over the road.
I can't hear what you're saying. Thank you. Can you repeat yourself, sir? Can you repeat what you said?
I wasn't over the
Pulled over on my way to work
You
this
were
morning. The
all
traffic
over
stop was
the
boring,
road.
and I'm confident I won't be on one of these streams.
So
Fair enough.
I was next to you. Are you looking for your insurance? Yeah. Okay. Any alcohol or drugs?
Yeah, but hopefully this one doesn't pull a gun and point it at the guy's head.
Drugs tonight?
No.
Okay. You haven't drank any alcohol? No. Okay. Do you mind if I reach in your car? Is that okay?
Huh?
Can I
no.
reach inside the car? Is that okay?
No.
Okay. Well, then I'm going to keep my hand out here and you can hand the insurance to me like this. Because I still need to see the insurance.
Wilsco, Brandon has donated
Can I reach
$19.99 and says, you know what? $2 can literally take a giant step back and literally duck themselves in the face # splooge storm.
Well, let's go. Thank you very much for the super chat. Very much appreciate it. And there's your $100 bucks back.
Car to get it. Yeah. Okay.
Oh no, this guy goes full self-sit.
No, I was eating, so I was up in my bed.
So I can understand that why you're eating, okay, but there's no reason to be swerving all over the road. Do you agree with me? Okay, all right. You're gonna stay with my partner for a second. I'm gonna walk around the side of you. Evaristo, can I have your driver's license? You gave me your ID card.
Sorry.
Where are you coming from?
Oh,
And where do you work?
in Melbourne.
And where?
Melbourne.
Well, I know, but what do you do for work?
I'm working the dock.
You work on the dock? Okay. So I can smell a little alcohol coming from your breath.
No.
I can.
No.
I can.
I drink Coke.
No, I can smell alcohol coming from your breath.
This is why you don't put the window down. You're not given the opportunity to allege that they smell alcohol on your breath.
Okay. Is there
Even though I'm
something in
thinking
your,
this
do you
thing, that's a
have
crock of
beer
shit.
in the cooler? Or alcohol in the cooler? Okay, is it okay if I look? Yep. It's okay if my partner, if we look through your car to see if there's any alcohol in the car?
No.
Or illegal drugs?
Wilsco, Brandon has donated $4.99 and says they just keep coming, and coming, and coming. At least they don't talk back or bite.
This is true.
No.
It's not okay.
No.
Why would that be okay?
Okay,
Do not
can you
consent
tell
to a
me
search
how many
like that.
drinks you've had today?
I don't have any drinks.
Okay, so Evaristo. Okay, so this is the deal. I can smell. I can smell. Yeah, do me a favor. Don't stop. I'm behind a police officer on route. I'm sorry. Okay, so can you do me a favor and put the taco down? Okay, because we're having a conversation.
Right.
Okay. Can you please put the food down and speak with me? Okay. I'm gonna ask you one more time to be honest with me, okay?
Well, that's just it. And the other thing is, you know that if there was a fur missile there, it would have alerted. You know? Why did that person stop? Because they're a sticky beak. Shit happens.
How much alcohol have you had tonight, Evaristo?
Nothing.
Okay, you're gonna lie to me?
No.
Okay, so
No.
this is the deal. You're not saying no. You're not saying no. Unlock your door. CCOM Chris Lake. 201.
No.
Copy a name. Sir?
Sir, we're just trying to do an investigation here.
No, you don't do investigation. You give me a ticket while you guys put me over and set. I just drive here and I stop to see my friend in Crystal Lake and I get some food.
Okay, you stopped to see your friend in Crystal Lake. What did you and your friend do?
Nothing.
How many drinks did you have with your friend?
Nothing. No drink.
Okay, then it shouldn't be a big deal having a conversation, right?
Well, you guys
Yeah,
make it a
except you're
big
saying
deal.
no.
You say
That's bullshit because you're not saying that you want to have a conversation. You were saying you wanted to investigate his car on the basis of an allegation. I didn't hear him say beer. He may well have. I might have missed it. Is the taco a deadly weapon? Later on, it is. I lie about drinking. You shouldn't be getting behind the wheel after consuming alcohol in the first place. How can people be so dumb? I'm not sure that he's lying. That's the thing, Benice. Because the trouble is, obviously, he did say beer. Okay. According to Kamala, the cop is listening to her advice. Don't he know? Oh, Jesus.
I driving all over because I was open my bag and I tried to eat something.
And that can be an explanation, but will you look at me, sir? Will you look at me? I can see your eyes are glassy and they're red, okay? And I can smell alcohol.
No.
Okay, so if you're telling me no, then I'm gonna have you step out of the car. We're gonna talk about it. Okay, sir, I don't think you understand. Okay, I'm asking you nicely right now.
I'm gonna call my boss. My boss is a lawyer.
I don't want you to call your boss.
I'm gonna call my boss.
We're not gonna do this.
And I'm gonna tell him that you guys pulled me over.
Listen to me.
Sir.
Listen to me. Okay.
You want me to call my boss?
Listen to me.
We want to have a conversation with you right here. We need to make sure that you're okay to
I'm
drive.
okay.
Okay,
I'm okay. I was all over the road.
To be fair, you're not the one that gets to decide whether or not you're okay.
Right now.
That's
Let's
all.
be fair.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
So
I'm fine to go home.
Okay, I can understand that, but
Fine.
I need to have a conversation with you outside of the car. Okay?
No, I'm not going outside my car.
Okay.
I'm gonna call my boss right now. I told him that you guys pulled me over.
So this is how it goes, okay? I'm a police officer.
I know
okay?
you are a police officer.
And I can ask anybody to exit their vehicle, okay? And they have to comply with my request. Do you understand? I'm trying to be nice right now and patient with you because I'm on the side of Route 14.
I got pulled over for the police and they give him a hard time to me.
Sir, I don't know if you're his attorney or not, but I'm requesting him step out of the vehicle right now, and he's not complying with me. So if he's your friend, maybe you can talk him into making a better choice right about now. So I'm gonna give you.
And this guy just pulled me over because I was reaching my bag. I get food from Taco Bell, and don't touch my car.
Stop.
No, you guys cannot take me out.
So I'm telling you right now, you're getting out of the car, okay? You are getting out of the car.
You got a warrant?
I don't need a warrant to have you get out of the car.
I'm not getting out of the car.
I need you to exit.
Unfortunately, mate, you're getting out of the car.
Please don't make me put my hands on you.
No.
Okay?
No.
You're making something.
You can lose your job if you touch me.
You are making something much more complicated. Okay.
I don't care. I know that my rights. No, I'm not getting out of the car.
So you're complicating the situation, okay? You're making it much more complicated, okay? Do you understand me?
So I don't know if you want to help me and come over and talk to these guys because these guys are very bad.
Okay. Sir, what's your first name?
You got my license.
Okay, I'm asking you. I'm trying to have a conversation with you.
No,
I don't understand why you're being so disrespectful.
I'm not gonna talk to you. I'm not gonna answer anything else.
Okay.
At all.
The more
you make it difficult.
do this.
No.
Negative. He's refusing to get out of the vehicle right now. I have his door open, but his vehicle's there.
If you guys touch me, you guys gonna lose your job.
That is incorrect, okay?
It is correct. I know the right.
So I'm gonna tell you, okay?
I can't tell.
Yeah, listen. I'm telling you right now, sir, okay? I have, at this point, given you a lot of wiggle room, okay? Do you understand?
No.
Okay? So I'm giving you these opportunities to comply with my orders, okay? Initially, it's me being nice and having a conversation with you, okay? Now I am ordering you.
Just give me my key.
telling you right now, I am ordering you to get out of the vehicle.
No, I'm not getting out of the vehicle.
Okay.
Just tell me, give me my ticket while you pull me over and period.
Okay.
Okay?
No, that is not it. Okay? You're not the one that's in charge here, okay?
Okay.
I need you to keep your hands where I can see them and do not move them.
So, sir, you're making this a bigger deal than it has to be. All we're asking is, we're telling you now to get out of the car. If you don't, that's going to make things worse. We pulled you over for a roadway violation. We suspect you possibly have drinking some alcohol. My partner smelled on your breath. We need to make sure you're okay to drive home. By you delaying this process, it makes it harder for you, and it makes this more complicated because we're on the side of a busy road.
And now you're obstructing an investigation, okay? You're refusing, I'm giving you a lawful order, and now you're refusing the order. So now the more this continues the more trouble you're going to be in. That's the reality of the situation. Do you understand? Okay.
Can I ask you a question? Why won't you get out just to talk to us and just to go through this process? Can you tell me that? Why are you delaying this and obstructing our lawful orders right now?
Cusco, Brandon has donated $1.99 and says, I know one way to word this eggplant hole up.
You stay with me for a second. Just keep going. I pulled this guy over for swerving. He said he was coming from Elborn. I can smell alcohol on him. I asked him to get out of the car. He's refusing to get out of the car. We're out right now, so what's going on?
Hey, sir.
Mr.
Hey, I'm going to have you step out the vehicle, okay?
No.
Hey, so look, this is going to go one or two ways.
No.
We've already given you verbal commands. Either you get out of the vehicle or I'm going to take you out of the vehicle. That's how this is working. You're on body camera?
No.
You're on body camera, sir?
I don't care.
Sir, you were intoxicated.
No, I know.
What?
At this point,
No.
if we're giving you the choice to either get out of the car.
No,
Okay.
you don't.
No, you're
If
getting.
the guy
you are getting
touch
out
me,
of the car.
hey,
No. Let go.
No.
Let go.
If
Oh,
you
no,
guys
no, no, no,
touch
no.
me, you guys gonna get in trouble. Hey, my lawyer is coming.
We're trying to get him
Hey,
out.
no.
No,
My
here the
lawyer
embezzlement
is
man does not
coming.
work.
Let go of
I
the
don't
seatbelt.
care.
Let go of the seatbelt.
No.
Sir, exit the vehicle.
Hey, wait.
Stop resisting.
Let me get my phone.
Okay.
Okay,
Get out of the car.
Hey, what is your problem?
We'll let you get out, sir.
Why?
He's just refusing to get out of the car.
I didn't do nothing. Just give me the
Get
ticket for
out
whatever
of
I
the
did.
car.
Just give me the ticket for whatever I did. Hey, if you guys hurt me,
Let go.
relax.
Let go.
No. Get
Stop
out of the car.
resisting. Get out of the car. Got him? Stop.
Now stand up, get on
Stop
your feet,
resisting.
sir. Stop with this whole thing.
Oh my God.
Sir, there's nothing wrong with you.
From 202.
Come on. Come on.
Hey, stop.
Stop resisting.
I'm not doing anything.
Stop.
I'm not doing
Turn
anything.
around. Turn it around. Put your hands behind your back.
You guys
Get
just-
on your Put your hands behind your back.
We don't have control. You guys
Stop yelling conflicting orders.
doing the stuff like the black people.
Stop.
Okay.
Put your hands behind your back. Put this hand behind your back now.
Got it.
Stop resisting. He's in custody. Roll him over. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over.
My leg is stuck in
Bring
the
your
car.
leg. All right.
Yeah, they don't care, dude.
Turn. Here, Campbell, get out of the way.
Do this. Sir, it needs to tuck your legs. Tuck your legs on.
Tuck your legs in.
Tuck your legs underneath. Up on your feet. 1, 2, 3, up on your butt.
You guys hurt me.
This way.
You guys hurt me.
I think it has to be Pet Goldfish. I was sitting there thinking,
Someone's rolling up on our side.
like, for a second there, I thought that the TTS was
Stand here.
going into
Face
overdrive.
the
but-
squad. Here, Nate. Go take care of this dude.
Alright, switch to the other side.
Jen, you okay?
Yes. Are you okay? Do you need medical attention, sir? Do you need to see an ambulance? Okay.
Keep it on me.
Okay.
Let's check his waist. He's good. We'll be right with you, sir.
This is his. Stop. Stop it. Sit in the car.
Stop in the back.
Sit in the car. Ben, sit in the car.
Take a seat. Sit down. Sit down. Okay.
Sit down now.
Talk to him. Sit down. Bring your feet in. You're gonna lose your job.
I know.
Relax. Sit down.
I know. I'm gonna
Yeah,
lose
you're
my
right.
job.
Why'd you take your seatbelt off? Can we get him seatbelted?
Here, you reach on this side. Let me pull it around the front of my So we're gonna put you in your seatbelt, okay? Did I double lock these? I did.
Yeah, that hurts me.
Okay, well,
Okay,
I'll
we're
try
just
to
gonna fix
it.
him. That's what happens when you start fighting with the police.
No.
Yes, that is.
No.
That's literally exactly what happens.
No.
There we go. When you actively resist arrest, that's what happens.
We gotta make sure we're all safe.
I didn't do nothing.
Okay, well, that's why we have it all on body camera, so that's fine.
And that's where
Okay, good.
that's where trial comes in. Thanks.
All right.
Evaristo was charged with DUI, resisting and obstructing, and illegal transportation or possession of alcohol.
So he actually had some in the car? Interesting. Wait, why does this guy... Why did Jeff get arrested? What is this? How to get immediately arrested by a game warden? Oh, come on.
Late in the night on September 21st, 2023, officers from the Shawano County Sheriff's Office in Wisconsin were notified about a 911 call. The caller notified dispatch that he was riding a bike when two older men operating an UTV had just ran him over. The caller indicates this allegedly resulted in a broken ankle. One officer heads directly to the injured man's location to administer first aid, while another officer attempts to find the hit-and-run suspects while blasting rap artist Nelly, Tupac, and Schoolboy Q on his radio.
611 status check.
14 to 20, I used to take them off neutral all the way there.
Within 10 minutes of the call being made, the officer finds and confronts the two men in the UTV.
Travel, I'll need to return him on portable with him.
No, you're not supposed to transport alcohol in an open container.
Hi.
You can drink alcohol in your car as long as you're stationary.
Just came from,
and you're not actually driving.
Over there.
Okay.
Head home.
Okay. Did you come across the bridge at all?
Dude, look at this guy's mustache.
Okay.
He's got the full handlebar
Back
going.
by Regina, I guess there was a guy that was hit by a side-by-side.
Really?
Yep. So, was it you guys?
I'll tell you it was, and I stopped and I asked him how he's doing. Okay. It's like he bumped my foot, and I was like, okay. You know.
I'm sorry to hear you had a bad day.
There, and he's like, okay, and then he just laid down and said, okay, we'll see you later.
Okay. So it was you guys, though?
It was me.
Okay. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back with you guys, okay?
Okay, I'll be here.
Shortly before the officer walks back to his cruiser to share his newfound information, the other officer finds the injured victim. Unfortunately, access to a body cam recording of this officer's interaction with the victim is not available. However, a police report says this officer noted the victim's injuries consisted of a, quote, left ankle that looked to be crushed and had significant bruising throughout his left leg.
Good.
Your driver for that have a mustache, beard, and wearing glasses.
Oh, affirmative. You got a driver's license on you, man?
Yes, I do. Yeah, we came across the bridge and I seen something and I thought, holy crap, what was that? And so I stopped.
Like a bear at first.
Okay.
Yeah, and I stopped and we backed up and I says, well, what's going on? And he's like, you ran over my foot. I'm like, okay, are you okay? And he's like, yeah. Okay, and then he just like laid down and just like snuggled up like, it was weird.
Okay.
That he just laid down and I'm like, you're okay? And he just like, yeah. And he just laid there and,
okay.
I mean, it's not like I smoked him or anything.
No.
He just laid down and it's like, okay. And I'm like, all right. Because I didn't want to, something happened. I didn't want to leave him.
Okay. Yeah.
And so.
Okay. Are you aware that side-by-sides, ATVs are not allowed on this trail at all?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So that's an issue we got too, okay?
Yeah.
At least he's on us.
I'm not going to bullshit you and say, hey, I got my chainsaw in the back and I'm, clearing the trails or anything. It's just something I like to do. I don't want to, run on the trail, the highways. Sometimes it's just like,
No, it's a nice drive through here, but.
Yeah. So.
You got your driver's license on you?
Me?
Yeah, you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is he okay? I mean,
As far as I know, it sounds like he's okay, but we're trying to figure it all out, so.
Yeah. Because, I stopped and I asked him how everything was going and, because it was just weird. It was a very weird situation.
15 Sean, we have a 28 for EMS.
Awesome. Okay. I'll be right back with you guys then.
Okay, thanks.
15, Ryan Ralph.
10-4, he's on the brink of passing out from pain.
10-4.
14-15 is ambulance going to be able to get to where you're at on the trail? Yeah.
515, ambulance ETA is about 2 minutes.
10-4, thank you. My lights are on, so you should be able to see me down the trail.
10-4.
520 Sean. I got a 27 and a 29 for the UTV occupants.
514 to 520, do we have any 5-5 concerns with the occupants of the vehicle?
I'm thinking slightly.
10-4.
Oh, police started chasing an ATV in the middle of there. Please.
15 to 20, did he admit to being the driver of this incident?
Affirmative.
Police reports share that the victim was taken to a nearby hospital shortly after being checked out by EMTs. Soon after, this officer questions the suspects further about the incident.
Okay, Stephen, there's your driver's license back.
Thank you, sir.
And there's yours, Alan.
Thank you.
Is he okay?
We got an ambulance
Jacob
going to him
and
right now.
hash
It sounds like he's got some leg
039
pain.
S Proud Madre has donated 5 gifted and says gifted 5 law, news and laughter with Aussie Overlaw'd memberships.
Jacob's Proud Madre dropping 5. That puts us 4 away from turning off the ads, but thank you so much for that. Hope you're doing well, by the way. I don't know if you were there for it, but I did get your message the other day, and I did read it out just to say thank you. But I really do hope you're doing well.
But as far as that goes, we're trying to figure that out right now.
Okay, yeah, because I backed up and yes, I'm not supposed to be on here.
Mm-hmm.
And he was there, and it was like I backed up because I didn't know what it was. So what do we do from here?
Okay, so have you been drinking tonight?
No.
Actually, no, you know what? I'll put it in chat as a poll. Sorry.
No? No. Okay, I'm kind of getting a little odor of intoxicants coming off of you.
No.
That's you?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you mind if I run you through fields, check that out, make sure you're okay to drive?
I prefer not to, but if you have to.
Okay, I mean, with what's happened at this point, I would like to, just to make sure that you're okay to drive.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
Okay. Can you step over here with me, man? So I have you stand with your feet together, arms down by your side. Don't move from here unless I tell you to, okay? Do you understand that?
All right.
Okay. At this point, I'm just going to check your eyes. What I need you to do is follow my finger with just your eyes and your eyes only, okay?
Yep.
Okay.
The officer repeats this HGN test a few times. Unfortunately, for a large portion of the test, the officer's arm blocks our visual of the suspect's eyes, making it difficult to see for ourselves how the suspect is performing the test.
Are you following my finger?
I'm trying to.
With your eyes?
Yeah.
I don't see your eyes moving at all.
However, from what we can see, it appears the suspect is showing signs of horizontal gaze nystagmus, or HGN. HGN is the involuntary jerking of one's eye when it gazes side to side and could be a sign of impairment.
Okay, you can relax for a minute.
Thank you.
Okay, so this next test is going to be the walk and turn. So I'm going to have you stand with your feet together again, arms down by your side. What I need you to do is imagine a straight line going from you to my squad.
Jared.
Straight line, doesn't turn or anything, straight line. Can you imagine that for me?
Yeah.
Okay. What I need you to do is place your left foot on that line. So take your left foot now and place it on that line.
The officer notes in his police report that the suspect had stepped to the right with his right foot during this portion of the test, after being told to put his left foot on the imaginary line. While the report does not definitively say that this was a sign towards the suspect's possible intoxication, it is still mentioned, along with other missteps we will highlight on screen.
Yeah.
And then place your right foot in front of that foot. Heel to toe, like this. You can do that now.
Just once?
Just put your left foot on the line, and then place your right foot in front of that foot, heel to toe, on that line.
Left foot?
Left foot on the line, right foot, heel to toe. Okay. Keep your
Jill
arms down by your
Ems has
side,
donated
stand there. Don't move until I tell you to keep
$10.00
going.
and says just because.
Damn, everyone's kicking in today. Appreciate it, peeps. Jill dropping that, and we've got D what?
Dwood has donated $4.99 and says thank you for your donation.
No matter the answer, you
Stingy
just cut
has
the bucks.
donated
Oh, bite
$2
me.
and says no matter the answer, you'll just cook the bucks.
Cook the bucks.
Understand that?
Yep.
Okay. And then when I say begin, what you're going to do is take 9 heel to toe steps along that line. When you get to 9, take a series of small steps to turn and take 9 more heel to toe steps back across that line, okay?
Okay.
You understand that?
Yep.
Okay. So it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, and so on until you get to 9. When you get to 9, take a series of small steps like this to turn, and then take 9 heel little steps back across that line. 1, 2, 3, until you reach 9. Do you understand?
Yep.
Okay. So as you're doing this, count every step out loud, eyes on your feet at all times, keep your arms down by your sides, and do not stop until you've finished. Do you
That's supposed to
understand
be
that?
5 points every 5 minutes,
You may
provided
begin.
you're chatting in chat.
1, 2, 3.
Pit Goldfish dropping a membership.
5, 6, 7.
Thanks,
Mythhead
buddy.
Goldfish 101 has donated 1 gifted and says gifted 1 law, news and laughter with Aussie Overlaw'd memberships.
Huge thank you for that.
1.
Congrats to Jared.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You finish?
That was 9, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. Next test, a one leg stand. What I'm gonna have you do is stand again with your feet together, arms down by your side. Don't move from here until I tell you to. Do you understand that?
All right.
Okay. So for this test, what I'm gonna have you do is pick up either leg. Doesn't matter. Either one of your choice. Pick it up approximately 6 inches from the ground. Keep it parallel to the ground, and count out loud in the following manner: 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, and so on until I tell you to stop. Do you understand?
Okay.
Okay. So as you're doing this, watch your raised foot at all time. Count out loud. Keep your arms by your side and do not stop until I tell you to. Do you understand?
Okay.
Okay.
I Can't Remember has donated £9.99.
I can't remember. Love you, buddy. Thank you.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1000.
Yes. Until further notice, this is Jeff.
1001.
And he will have to personally refute it because, despite the fact that he's going live shortly,
1004.
this could have been pre-recorded.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1000.
Okay, man. You can stop there.
Okay.
Okay. So, at this point, I do believe you're under the
Oh,
influence
good.
of
I'm really
something
glad to
that's
hear
causing
that.
you to be impaired. Are you willing to do a PBT just so I can...
I really am.
Just to prove that it's alcohol, not no other kind of drugs or anything like that. It can't be used against you in court or anything like that. It's just...
I'd rather not.
You'd rather not?
Yeah.
Okay. So, at this time,
Put into trouble
you'll
on
be
vacation.
under arrest for OWI of the side-by-side, okay?
Okay.
Do you have anything on you that's going to stick me, stab me, poke me?
I got a knife.
Okay. Do you want to leave that in the side-by-side for me?
I can.
Okay. And then, well, anything else that you don't want to go with, just leave in the side-by-side, I guess, at this point.
Okay.
Okay. Once you come back with the car with me.
So, he can drive it home, or...
Is he under the influence also? He said he's been drinking, so...
I don't
think he had much to drink, or I don't know.
Okay. Well, we can figure that out in a minute, man. I'm just gonna talk with this other guy quick.
Okay.
Okay.
We can take a notified right away. So we'll do the DNR. It'll be DNR, OWI, obviously, but then, of course, the hit and run and stuff and everything else we'll address.
When the officer says DNR, he is likely referring to the Department of Natural Resources, since standard law enforcement officers typically...
Hang on. I saw that one. DWAT redeemed Uwu. Why did it not play? Instant effects is on. Hang on, give me a second. It did? Oh, okay.
Don't get involved in
I didn't hear it for some
recreational
reason.
parks and trails. A DNR conservation warden will usually have deeper knowledge of the recreational safety laws that were broken. Later on, one of the officers gets in contact with a conservation warden to discuss those possible charges.
Sounds good. All right, go for it.
Okay, so like I said, you're under arrest. You'll be coming with me, so...
Sir, so what's your plan for the rest of the night here?
My plan?
Yep.
Are the keys in there?
Okay, Steve. So, here.
I just...
Okay, put your hands behind your back for me.
Okay.
Just hang right here for me.
Have you been drinking tonight at all?
I had a couple.
If I can give you a ride, can I get you back home? Is that something we can do?
Sure.
All right. You just want to hang tight here.
Here, I'll just put him up front for you. Here. That way we can cut off.
Roll like that. First for me.
Oh, that's not bad then, if it's been this long.
I'm 60 years old, and I'm
Just gonna put a belt around your waist since I got him up front. Okay. Yep, just give me a second here.
Where are we going?
We'll be going to Shawano.
Oh, poop. That's going to be helping bro pick me up fair. Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's tight back there.
Not room back here, is it?
No.
No big fat guy. Okay, thanks, man.
Okay, I'm just gonna reach around, put the seatbelt on if I can, or if you can grab it.
Yeah, that's pretty rough. But we got fat guy to do.
Here, if you can hold it there, I'll come around and grab it.
Okay, thanks. This officer does a quick look over and takes pictures of the UTV itself. The vehicle will be towed, likely due to there being no able-bodied person to drive it.
It locked. I gotta go all the way back and reset that.
There you go.
Perfect. Where did the buckle go now? Oh, there it is.
There you go.
Now, what I'm going to have you do is hop out for me, okay? And then I'll have you come to the back of my car, and then I'll give you that ride back home here shortly, okay?
101 has donated one gifted and says gifted one law. News and laughter with Aussie Overlaw'd memberships.
Sorry, I didn't realize I wasn't actually taking track of the
Just
dog
in the
cam.
back passenger side. I'm going to give him a ride. Yeah. Go ahead and follow this deputy for me, please.
Come back here, man. Watch for the tree right here. Gotta hop in there for
Matilda Mathilkinen has donated 2.00 and says hello from the Netherlands.
We moved it. See it hit or not?
No, that's the whole cage. It doesn't go anywhere. Oh, take your time, man. If you gotta sit sideways in there, sit sideways.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna roll the window down a little bit for you, just so if you need anything, you can yell at us.
Okay.
The suspected driver of the UTV appears to breathe heavier here. He is possibly stressed from the situation that is unfolding in front of him.
AP has donated one gifted and says gifted one law. News and laughter with Aussie Overlaw'd memberships.
I got a cooler in the...
Okay. We'll worry about that in a little bit, man.
I got a question. Is my phone in the side-by-side? I can't check my pockets now at this point.
I thought you grabbed it.
I think I did too, but it would be in the center console there.
Give me a second here.
Okay.
So your name's Alan, right? Hey. You're not in custody, man. I just want to talk to you with what happened tonight, okay? What's going on? What happened today?
Well, we were coming back from the mower, and when we crossed the bridge, there was a thud. Whatever. I did not see anything. I thought there was like a board was too low or something on the bridge.
Okay.
Steve said he thought he saw a bear.
Okay.
Whatever.
Okay. So you guys didn't see nothing on the road or on the trail that you were riding on?
I didn't.
So is Al's not going to be able... I got to come get it later?
We are having it towed at this point, so...
Oh, poop. Oh,
yeah, we can't just leave it here, so...
Yep, I hear you. Do we have an option who could tow it?
It's Krause out of Wittenberg.
Okay, because Eric Kesson out of Burnhamwood is somebody I know that might be able to help out.
Dude, he's all about the food.
I have an option.
Okay, so I'm going to read you this, and then I'm going to ask you a question, and I need your answer yes or no on this, okay? So, you have been arrested for a violation of the intoxicated operation laws, and under Wisconsin implicit consent provisions, I am required to read this to you. The test results of the fact of you refusing testing can and may be used against you in court. Will you submit to an evidentiary chemical test of your blood? Yes or no?
No.
No?
No.
Okay. So then we're going to have to go to the house. I'm going to have to take you to the jail. You're going to sit in there, and I'm going to have to get a search warrant for your blood at this time, okay?
All right.
40, we're going to be impounding the UTV.
And there's no way I could get the Kesson Auto to do it?
Nope, not at this time.
You will have criminal DNR charges.
I'll come around and check, make sure you got your phone on you.
See my backpack.
Yep, right there.
Because the suspect refused to consent to a chemical breath test, a blood draw search warrant was requested and approved by a judge.
How do you feel about needles?
You gotta do what you gotta do.
It's a Marine, you can handle it.
What's going on, man?
I was laughing about that.
It happens.
It's being shy.
Are you trying to kill me?
I gotta make sure the test is right.
Vampires for a reason.
Ouch.
I know. I don't even have a lollipop for you.
What?
I know.
It's just wrong. I'm never gonna do this again if I don't get a lollipop.
Well, good. That's what we want.
According to police reports, the test recorded a blood alcohol content of 0.118%, which is more than 0.03% over the legal limit. The driver of the suspected UTV likely spent at least 3 days in jail before paying a $500 cash bond, along with a signature bond of $5,000, meaning if they failed to show up to court, they would then have to pay that amount as a penalty. They were also ordered to maintain absolute sobriety, to avoid any contact with the victim, and were restricted from traveling outside of the state without court approval. According to...
You know, we went through that entire thing before I remembered that there was a victim to that because they ran over someone's foot.
court records, he faces charges that consist of failure to take an alcohol test, operating UTV without each person wearing a seatbelt, operating UTV on non-designated trail, operating UTV without required headgear, operating UTV in a careless way, operating UTV and causing injury, operating UTV with a pack over 0.08%, operating UTV and causing injury with a pack over 0.08%, first-degree recklessly endangering safety and failure to report the UTV accident. As of editing this video, this case is still being decided by the court system, as the suspect has pled not guilty to all charges. The final pretrial date should be held on June 24th, 2024.
Okay, so that's relatively old, and I probably could look it up, but I'm not going to. 23-year-old goes ballistic on police for doing their job. Oh, we're at the hour-and-a-half mark, so I'll speed this one up. This may be the last thing for the night. We'll see what happens.
About someone hearing gunshots.
Yeah, where's the gunshots come from? Huh?
So apparently it's from your house.
Yeah, but no one has a gun in the house, so that just don't make no sense.
Okay, so how did you know about it?
Oh, because someone called my aunt saying about it. So
okay,
where are the gunshots from?
Hey, sir, back up. You don't need to keep...
I'm right here.
You don't need to keep backing up or keep walking towards me.
I walked towards you to ask what's going on, because this is a bunch of bullshit.
Okay.
Yeah, this is a bunch of bullshit for a piece of shit baby.
I got him. He is a kid.
Yeah, I'm right here. You got...
I'm in contact with
guns
you.
and a taser.
Yeah, but we're not actually fighting. We're just
talking about
drunk
business.
idiots. Yeah, we're just dumb. We're not fighting. I swear to God, I swear. This is my nephew.
If I can get it back to me, please. Okay. So what's going on in the house?
We're talking about business.
We're just dumb drunk idiots. That's all.
Talking about business.
Yes, I swear.
There's no fucking gunshots. You got a bunch of dumbass neighbors in here.
Okay. Who's that in the blue shirt?
Don't fucking worry about it.
Skylar, please don't. Skylar, go. Oh my God, they got guns. Oh my God.
We get a call for gunshots. Okay, we have to do our due diligence.
Okay.
Where were their gunshots?
You need to calm down.
No,
I'm trying to calm down.
Shut the fuck up. Please don't taser him. Please, God, don't.
This is ridiculous.
No, I know.
So they're intoxicated.
I swear to God. I swear.
Yeah, I'm 23. She's over 40.
Yeah. Okay.
Is that legal to be intoxicated?
No. I swear, we're not fighting or guns. I swear to God.
You see a gun?
Skylar,
check it.
Yeah.
I guess this is a gun, huh?
Skylar,
that's a gun.
Oh my God.
You're right.
You're right. You don't have nothing.
Look at them.
Look at me. Oh my God. You don't have nothing. Leave him alone.
Hold on.
He don't have nothing. I swear to God, he don't have nothing.
Stop. Calm down. We're trying to deal with it, all right?
Yes, I agree. But he is really intoxicated because we started drinking this morning. We went to a movie. Okay. I swear, he don't have nothing. I promise you. Skylar, stop! Skylar, stop!
Back up.
Skylar, stop! God damn it, that's my nephew. No, I'm not done you. Why are they doing that to him?
He's being combative. Wait, don't get involved. You'll make it worse.
He don't have nothing.
Okay,
I promise.
I understand that. We're trying to work through it, okay?
Oh my God, we're just
let them deal with it, and I will talk to you. What's your name?
Jamie.
Jamie?
Don't with him though. Oh my God, they're arresting him? Are they arresting him?
Probably.
We're detaining him right now, okay?
No,
we're trying to figure out what's going on, okay?
Oh my God.
So we get a call. There's people yelling, and they hear approximately 10 gunshots. So what are those 10 shots that someone would have heard?
Gunshots?
Did you have any loud banging noises?
We're inside that house. We're loud. We're talking about our business. We're loud. That's my nephew. We're drunk. But I swear to God, there's no gunshots.
Okay.
So Jamie, just help me out, okay?
Okay.
Why? Just don't put your hands in there.
Oh, sorry. You're good. That's just my phone. Skylar, be quiet. Shut your f***ing mouth, Skylar. I swear to God.
You're looking for a bullshit ass good excuse. And no one has a gun.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not doing it.
Put your hands
Do I got a gun? Do I got a gun? Do I have a gun? Do I have a gun?
You're not being arrested for having a gun.
This is a bunch of bullshit.
We're being arrested for them being a fuckwit. Bad for the first one of the night.
Y'all gonna arrest me for a bunch of bullshit. No one has a gun, you dumb. No one has a gun, you dumb. I did nothing wrong. I came out and talked to y'all, and y'all want to fucking handcuff me? Bunch of pussy ass mother. Nah, them. Yeah, search me, you dumb. I got a vape in my hand. Relax. You see anything else, you dumb? You see anything else, you dumb bitches? Y'all see anything else? You dumb mother.
They're gonna love him in prison.
I ain't going to jail. I didn't do shit. You dumb.
So
there's nothing.
Help me out here. You're good. Okay.
You see anything else, you dumb?
Good God, that makes me feel
You
old.
see anything else, you dumb bitches?
Why would a neighbor call and say that they heard 10 gunshots?
You
from
dumb
that
mother.
address?
Skylar, just chill.
I ain't going to jail. I didn't do shit.
Skylar, just please be quiet. Skylar, look at me. Stop. Stop.
Big
Stop.
bullshit.
I know it is,
Dipper.
but just stop. No, because we are only in there, like, me and him are fighting about, like, dumb shit.
Okay.
Because he's always me, because he's my nephew. He's trying to take over my business, you know? Well, like, we're not, like, I swear to God, we got up, we went to the, shut your f***ing mouth. Shut your f***ing mouth. No.
Where the f*** are my glasses? You
Lovely family.
Where the f*** are my glasses at? Came off when y'all want to tackle me. First,
Hey,
guess
MJ.
what? Gun? Do y'all see a gun?
Doesn't matter.
Do y'all see a
There's no
gun?
gun right now.
There's no gun ever involved, you dumb.
So you listen to us when we try to work with you. So
No, y'all started this shit. Y'all a bunch of dumbass pigs. How many black people you shot this month? Huh?
It's a long recording, but don't worry.
Yeah, no, I'm asking you. Well, that's why you won't say nothing, because you try to keep it off the books.
Dude, the way you're acting, you might help them meet them quota. I
Arrest me
suggest you
because I'm a
shut the fuck up.
23-year-old drinking? There's no gunshots that were involved.
We still got out there right now.
There ain't a single gunshot.
Or maybe.
There was a single gunshot. I'm standing.
Stand right here, buddy.
Oh,
Sorry.
well, can I sue y'all for up ID? Can I?
You did it.
Because I didn't do shit.
You did it, not us.
Did what? Y'all handcuffed me because I said nothing happened here, which is on recording too. Did I try to punch you? Did I try to do anything?
Yeah,
I fought because you tried to arrest me for doing nothing.
Okay, so you've been drinking a little bit. I can smell it.
Yes.
Okay, no worries.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah, but we got up this morning, we went to the movie, we drank. This is, oh my God.
Who are these people to you?
That's my son and my daughter's house.
Okay. Is that your son standing out front right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So we went over there. We had about a bottle of tequila.
Ooh, a bottle. Okay, I ain't judging.
But I swear to God, we didn't have any gunshots. I swear to God.
So what could have happened that maybe sounded like gunshots? Were you guys throwing furniture around? Or
No,
something?
no.
Somebody...
Goose, we were not. No, we're just loud. We're loud people. I swear, no gunshots.
Who was in the red van?
That was my wife. She got my granddaughter out of here. I
Not
swear.
involved at all?
No, I've been texting her. You can check my phone to come pick me up because I was like, man, this motherfucker's getting me f***ed up. My wife said, do not f***ing get drunk today.
Yeah, I'm mother-in-law. Okay, mother-in-law. Okay.
Just talk.
We're good. We're good.
But they said they heard 10 gunshots.
You can reach there. You guys code 4?
What did I
We're code 4. We have one in custody. I mean, one detained.
Please.
I didn't fire a gun.
I know, but please just be quiet.
No, they're dumb as fuck.
What is Skylar's last name?
You're not making any sense, man.
I didn't fire a gun. No one fired a gun in the house. So what did I resist on? I didn't fire a gun. So no, they're dumb as fuck. I'm not going in.
You are going in, bro.
I didn't do anything. Did I try to hit y'all?
Yep, you resisted arrest.
I resisted arrest for a bunch of bullshit. I ain't going in, and I can't see without my glasses. Where are my glasses?
Get in the car.
Put my glasses off first.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
No, you put my glasses in.
Sit down.
JD, this is a bunch of bullshit.
All right, get in the car.
I ain't going in, so I have my glasses.
You go in.
What the? Okay, you know what? Why
I didn't say it was justified. I said it was a possibility.
I didn't do anything to be arrested.
Get in the car, bud. Get in the car.
I didn't do anything to be arrested for.
Get in the car, bud.
Buddy, I didn't do anything to be arrested for.
Sit down, car. Sit down.
I didn't do anything. Fuck, keep hitting me, bitch. I didn't do anything.
Get in the car if you didn't do anything, Skylar.
I'm not. I got f***ing
work tomorrow. I ain't spending my day off in jail.
Okay, just get in the car if you didn't do anything.
What did I do?
And we'll work through this. Listen.
Give me my f***ing glasses.
Okay, get in the car. I'll give you your glasses.
No, you give me my glasses right f***ing here. Hey, f*** off. I didn't do anything.
You got an ad for an orca? I have no idea.
There's no reason for them to arrest me. Stop! Stop pushing that on my dick! Stop pushing that on my dick!
Get in the car.
What? No, I'm asking what I'm arrested for. No, give me a reason. I didn't do anything. Give me a reason. All I'm asking for is a reason. Why am I being arrested? Resisting what? You guys trying to arrest me? I didn't do anything. You guys don't have any reason to arrest me.
Do you leverage, Corporal?
All I'm asking is why you're arresting me.
You're not under arrest. You're being detained at this moment because of your actions towards officers.
Y'all tried to arrest me.
You are under arrest for resisting.
For resisting arrest for no reason.
You're not under arrest. You are under
doesn't
arrest.
make no sense.
I got your mind.
No, I need a legit reason.
Oh, motherfucker.
I didn't fire a gun. I didn't do nothing. I don't even own a gun. That's all I'm asking. Like, I don't understand why I'm being arrested. Why would I willingly be arrested with something I didn't do?
Let's talk about it. When you're lazy, I'll talk to you all you want to.
No, I'm not talking at the place.
That's serious, man. If you want to talk about it, get in the car.
No, I know y'all full of shit.
What, do you think I just don't want to talk?
Bro, y'all been talking to every team when I did nothing.
I was more than happy to talk to you.
And you don't put fucking handcuffs on me.
You gotta listen, man.
So I should just take the handcuffs and go to the station when I didn't do shit.
Just because you get cuffs put on doesn't mean you're going anywhere most of the time, dude.
Then what the f is this about?
It's safety, man. I'm telling you.
Safety for not having a gun, you dumb.
Dude, I'm happy to talk about it.
No, the fuck you're not.
Talk like normal people, dude.
Y'all heard a fucking complaint for a dumbass neighbor for me and my aunt arguing over business.
I'd love to hear about it. Sit down.
Well, I ain't handcuffs on my glasses. Why the f would I sit down?
I got your glasses, man. I got them safe.
Leave my fucking vape alone.
I said safe, not vape, dude.
Where the f are my glasses at?
I got them back.
I can't fucking see.
Good, scoop back.
Put them on me first, and then I'll scoot back.
It's not working like that, man.
Well, I ain't scooting back till you give me a fucking vape.
Why?
Because I can't see.
Then scoop back. We'll get your glasses, man.
No, I don't fucking believe y'all.
You ready, Bark?
Yeah.
That sucks, Grayson.
Where the f are my glasses at now, man?
Sit up, bro.
Where the f are my glasses at? Man, y'all are f***ing garbage. Lost my phone, lost my glasses.
We'll get all your stuff, dude.
What the f did I do wrong? You ain't got shit.
Sit back, man.
Man, f you. What the fucking bullshit? Where am I?
Dude,
What
just
a dumbass.
shut your fucking mouth.
What's your reason for arresting me?
Listen, do you want your glasses on?
Yes.
Okay.
Now, where's my phone? Where's my phone? I saw y'all stomping on something. Do y'all stomp on my phone?
Do you want your glasses or not?
Yes.
Here. Quit yelling at me.
No, let me guess. Y'all stop my phone and it's... You can't check if I shot a gun right now? Let me know, because I didn't shoot no fucking gun. You can check whatever the f you gotta check. Can't you do it right now so I don't gotta waste my time when I work tomorrow?
They're still working on that. They're still working through that.
Oh my Jesus Christ, man. Y'all fucking suck. Y'all really suck. And I know what neighbors called the police because I saw y'all talking to them. Them dumbass old f***s.
We've been talking to a lot of neighbors, but
check my fucking finger residue.
Okay,
Tell me if a fucking gun was fired.
Are you Skylar?
No, I'm fucking Jessica.
Okay.
Jesus
What would you like me to call you?
I guess it's go fucking Jessica because that might as well be all the bullshit y'all pulling right now.
Yeah, my name's Sergeant Steele, the Grand
No, it's Sergeant Bitch because there ain't no reason for y'all arresting me right now.
Okay.
There ain't no fucking reason.
I'm here to.
Because why would I let someone arrest me when I did nothing wrong? Why would you? Like, I know you're a pig, but like, why would y'all let someone arrest you if you did nothing wrong on your one day off of the week? I don't want to spend my time in jail. My one day off a week. And I had my phone in my pocket, and I seemed to, it looked like some of your offers were stomping, like they were stomping on my phone. Isn't that a little suspicious?
Okay, where's your phone at now?
Oh, I don't know. I had it with me before y'all dumb motherfuckers arrest me for no fucking reason.
Okay. I see you have some scratches on your knees here.
Oh yeah, from y'all. From y'all dumb fucks.
Do you have any other injuries?
Well, I don't know. My fucking wrist hurt like a motherfucker. You get these motherfuckers on tight like I'm some skinny bitch when I'm some fat.
Do you need an ambulance?
No, what I need is y'all to let me the go, because no one fired no fucking gun.
Okay.
There's no reason for me going with y'all.
Okay.
Like, y'all arrested me for being drunk when I'm 23 years old?
Do you know why they contacted you?
No, all I fucking heard was that there were shots fired when no one fired a shot in that fucking house.
Okay.
And I came up to y'all to talk about it, and right away, y'all tried to tackle me to the ground. Why would someone let any of y'all tackle you to the ground when they did nothing wrong? Like, why would I? I don't want to spend my day off in jail. Like, it's just a miracle I wasn't black or Mexican, or y'all would have shot me.
Oh,
like,
Jesus.
Thank God, right? Thank God I'm white, or y'all would have killed me. Because I didn't, why would you, just look at it personally. Why would you not resist arrest if you're going to arrest for something you didn't do? No one in that house owns a gun.
Okay.
And y'all really try to arrest me because of some dumbass, racist, homophobic people called cops in? Two people who hate gay people, and the person in the house used to be a gay wedding couple?
Do you
You
for
don't
whatever
think
you
that's
can on this?
suspicious?
Jesus Christ.
That some homophobic man is calling the police on a gay wedding couple? You ever think about that? Or are you too dumb to?
So, you know, sir, when we get here...
Shut the fucking door. It's a bunch of bullshit. I ain't gonna let nobody arrest me for nothing I fucking did.
Okay,
Shut the fucking door. I'm done with your dumb ass. I get it. You're a fucking cop, and you know, you look what helps you get paid more, so you arrest anybody. Get the fuck out of my face. Shut the fucking door. Let's fucking go, you dumb motherfucker. Shut the fucking door. Man, y'all dumb as really y'all literally made tackle me down for no fucking reason. Why the fuck would I arrest? Why the fuck wouldn't I resist? Man, y'all dumb as fuck. Shut this fucking door. Let's fucking go and get this bullshit over with. You can do all the tests you want. You'll see I didn't fire a gun. And you know, you can look at your police cams and see I didn't do nothing till y'all were trying to arrest me for fucking nothing.
Well, that's my role here, is to figure out if these guys were unreasonable, and I'm trying to talk to you about that, but you seem to be fairly agitated.
Because I just got pinned to the fucking ground and handcuffed.
Okay, can I talk to you about how they talk to you? That's my job right now.
No one told me shit.
Okay.
I really came out the door trying to tell y'all there's no reason to be here, and I got fucking handcuffed.
Okay.
Why the fuck wouldn't I
What did
resist
they say to
arrest? They just tried to handcuff me.
Did they say anything to you?
Well, I did hear that someone's coming here from gunshots, and there was no gunshots fired.
Okay.
And y'all want to pin me down and arrest me. Like, just fucking take me to the station.
Did they say anything else to you?
Just take me to the station. I'm done with this shit.
Okay.
Let's get this the fuck over with. Y'all can test my whatever y'all gotta do and find out there's no fingerprint residue, and then y'all will be sued like a motherfucker for taking me down. Oh, y'all fucked up my knee. My glasses seem bent, so I will be suing you. So yeah, just take me to the station. But I'm fucking done with this. I'm done talking to your dumb ass.
You guys have his phone? Hey, server, you guys have his phone?
No, I'm pretty sure they stomped on it because y'all a bunch of dumbass pigs. Man, f all of y'all. Hope all y'all die. Y'all are a bunch of pieces of
Hey,
shit.
you really went with the old
and y'all
y'all.
deserve what gets to you. Take me to the station. I'm done with this shit.
Okay.
No, my girlfriend doesn't have it. Dumb. Oh yeah, you tell that dumb motherfucker. Yeah, oh man, you look like you bald too. Yeah, man, y'all can't grow hair, so you taking on someone else? Get the fuck out of my face. Shut that fucking door. Man, fuck you. This is a bunch of fucking bullshit.
Okay.
I really walked up to y'all and y'all want to fucking arrest me for no fucking reason.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm sure y'all didn't stomp on it, you dumb fucking pigs.
Okay.
I had it in my pocket.
Right,
Y'all definitely stomped on it. I watched the motherfucker stomping down. I bet he picked up the evidence and hit it real quick. You dumb.
No, he was just saying that he thought we broke it, but then it sounds like it's our phone that was broken.
No, I'm pretty sure it's mine. And
what kind of phone do you have?
Samsung Galaxy Fold 3.
Fold
Fold. Yes, dumb mother. Shut the door. I'm done talking to you. Y'all full of shit. You trying to arrest somebody because I'm dumb ass? You know why they're calling the cops? For one, they hate gay people. Oh, let me guess. You hate gay people too, huh? The people in the house that were in there today was a gay woman, me, and 2 other people. So let me guess. You got called because a gay person was involved, huh? And y'all hate gay people, y'all Christian ass.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Victim mentality, man.
I'm his grandmother.
Yeah, come on over. Just don't reach in the car or anything for me, please.
They arrested me because I tried to talk to them. And then they're telling me that something's wrong with me resisting arrest. Why would I resist arrest when nothing I did was wrong?
Okay, so just don't make it worse on yourself, honey.
No, them.
Does he have to go to jail? He will go to jail.
You got the money to sue these dumb No, I saw officer stomping down. I think it was on my phone.
Oh yeah, be quiet.
My phone ain't in my pocket. You will
They have it inside.
No, he just told me that they didn't have it. He just lied to me.
No. They said it's in the house over there in the bag. So just stop.
No,
take a breath and relax.
We will sue the police department.
Okay.
I did nothing wrong. They're trying to tell me I fired a gun, Grandma.
Sorry. It's okay. Can I take him home or does he have to?
They're trying to tell me I fired a gun.
Okay, you're
No, they're really not. At no point has anyone said that you were firing a gun. They asked about someone firing a gun.
It's not their fault. Skylar!
Oh, that's dumb.
Skylar! It's not their fault.
Yes,
the neighbors called.
Yeah, and that
But when you resist, you cannot.
Die.
Skylar, you can't resist people.
I'm not going to willingly get arrested for no reason.
Well, if you would just cooperated and let them search you, they would have arrested you.
I'm going to 32.
They're arresting me?
Yes, you have
for
to.
no fucking reason.
Exactly. Just calm down. Are you hurt?
Yeah, look at my knee.
Yeah. What about your head?
My fucking head hurts like a motherfucker. You need to stop it. We're going to start clearing some people.
Can I look at his eyes? He has had numerous head injuries, and he
I
has...
offered an ambulance, but I mean,
no, he's not going to do an ambulance.
Okay.
Can I just look at it? Get in close enough to look at his eyes, or
come
go
over
to the
to
other
this side
side.
with me.
Don't fuck.
Hey, why don't you guys come over here? Here, hey, you bounce out
I really
of here.
hope Grandma doesn't
come
have
over here so
twin
she wants to look at his eyes and make
He
sure.
has had numerous head injuries.
We're not opening the door like that.
Don't hit nothing so I can look at your eyes.
No, we ain't opening the door.
Oh, can I look in the other side? I mean,
We're not going to climb in.
Just roll the window down. That's all I want to do is
Yeah,
look
you
at his
can roll
eyes.
the window down.
Here, let me talk to him because he listens to me. No, he doesn't listen to you, obviously. Can you just let me see your eyes?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Stay over here.
Get over here. Okay.
Let's do one at a
I
time.
need you to take your glasses off and look.
I can't. They handcuffed me for no reason.
Oh, I can't see with his glasses.
They started to pull me down
It's okay,
because I
buddy.
walked over. They started trying to arrest me for walking over.
I know, babe, but just be quiet. Don't say nothing.
No,
okay?
Bitch. Dumbass bunch of dumbass
It's not their fault, Skylar. Someone called.
I don't give a
They
started arresting me for no reason.
I know.
And they won't even mad at
But Skylar, you
Why
don't
would I
resist.
resist? Nothing I did.
A little bit better than a
You
can.
have to cooperate.
I don't give a fuck.
You're bigger than they are.
No, fuck them. They're a bunch of dumbass pigs. You deserve to die.
All right.
He's a funny guy. He's a
Burning
funny guy.
hell
Go,
in
one of you, take him, just take him.
Just take him.
For right reason.
When your own family's had
Somebody
enough.
fired a gun off. And he came up to us, and he was uncooperative.
Yeah, he's all drunk off his ass.
Yeah. So.
You're just going to catch up with him one day. He just moved in with us, and I just told my wife, I go, I can't have that alcohol here. Because me and him had one battle together. He tried to talk me out once.
Can't understand what's going on right now. He's just too intoxicated.
Yeah, he is. But he heard you guys say there was a gun, so he's going to tell you we didn't have one.
Yeah.
I have a hard time pulling a gun on somebody.
Well, we had guns out to start with, right?
Yeah.
Because we thought the shooting was.
Could you search the house?
Yeah, they let us. Somebody.
Yeah, there's no gun there.
Yeah, they let us go through and make sure. We were just concerned somebody was shot. Our biggest concern, not that people have a gun or they don't have a gun.
So he won't get out for you till tomorrow afternoon?
Probably tomorrow morning.
Okay. Does he get to see judge?
Yeah. I think they'll make us see judge on that one. So.
Was he trying to get away from you guys, or?
Well, once he came all the way up to us, and then they tried to detain him, and then he just started fighting.
Did he?
Yeah.
He's a big kid.
Yeah, he is. So. All right, I gotta go to the next one, sir.
Can I get a card?
There you go.
Down by my feet, bitch. Down by my feet. They fell off while you were driving. Okay. Man, suck. Grab my glasses. Oh, look. Another miss wrong. See, I didn't have glasses, right? Man, there's another fucking... Step out, dude. Where the fuck am I going?
Right now.
Man, piece of shit. So look, I'm getting... Sit down by the gun. No, I ain't gonna sit. I'll stand. No, you're gonna stand. I'll stand. Okay. Is it gonna go this way? You gonna work with us, or you're arresting me for no reason for going to talk to the police and then resisting arrest because I got arrested for no reason. Okay. I literally just asshole was wrong. You gonna work with us or not? I'm gonna stand. All right. I'm gonna stand. Literally getting arrested for asking y'all what the fuck happened. Y'all can look at the recordings. Like, did I fire a gun? Like, look, check my hands. Check my whatever the fuck it takes. I didn't fire no gun. Well, not my job right now. I get it. Your job is to meet your quota and arrest. I get it. I had a grandpa that was a cop, and they had quotas. And I get it. Y'all gotta feel that.
It's an everything channel, really.
Paid. I'm a fucking 23-year-old at this time. 23-year-old. What's going on, man? What are we going on? Literally got arrested for trying to figure out what was going on, and then in trouble for resisting arrest. For
Yes, I am. I am an attorney. And no one's keeping you here if you don't like the content.
Am I over 21? Answer that. So I'm 23. Is that over 21? I don't know. Yeah, 23 is over 21. I didn't know it was over 23. What are we on? We just decided what we're doing. Just going to 2. Going to 2? Drugs, anything like that? Yeah, check on.
I just gotta get photos of his injuries.
Check if I fired
of his injuries because he got some cuts from being taken down to the ground.
Yeah, because we only go down for nothing I did.
What injuries were? I believe he just got some cuts on his knuckles. He might have something on his
leg. No, my knee don't.
Okay. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna have turn. Show him.
That does seem like an extreme show. Okay,
I got arrested for no reason. Why the fuck would I arrest? Resist. Yeah, we all tried to arrest me from the get-go. I don't arrest you at all. Okay? We came out of the facility. We have to take this point. We're going to do it. Relax. Came out of the house. Just relax. They were trying to arrest you. Have you got pictures of his knuckles? I don't think. Does he have any injuries on his knuckles? I never said it was on my knuckles. It's on my fucking knee. I got his knee already. Okay. If you want to take a picture of his knuckles, this would be the time. It's not my knuckles. My goddamn knee. You got it? Yeah, I got it. It's my knee.
Good enough.
What do you get? You got resisting arrest and disorderly conduct. I mean, look, all of that would have been avoided if... They're gonna love him in jail. He's gonna be nice and cooperative in jail, shall we say. I think that in this instance... I mean, his aunt said it. If he had just not rolled up on the cops to initially, and he hadn't gotten in their faces and said, "Oh, someone called because there was a, because someone decided to be, that was gunshots or whatever else," he didn't have to be combative from the get-go and get up all in their face. And yeah, okay, fine. He's, according to his grandma, he's had a number of head injuries. That, I mean, you can argue diminished capacity, but yeah, I don't really think there's going to be much of an argument there. He still seemed to be quite in control of his faculties himself, and the aunt herself said, yeah, we were drinking, we're loud, we're whatever else. Dude probably still got a slap on the wrist, but how about don't disturb the public peace in the first place? Yeah. What it pretty much boils down to, so. Oh, but anyway. I think that was the last video that I had anyway. Although... Oh, alright, we'll watch this Solve Sit one and then I'll call it a night. It's only 13 minutes.
The National Guard to look for help because I couldn't find it anywhere else.
For driving under suspension and fictitious plates.
They're right now towing her vehicle illegally.
She's being cited under both. Driving under suspension is a city law, and then the fictitious plates is a state law. So that falls under the Constitution. What?
Of this delusional sovereign citizen who went there for help because she couldn't find it anywhere else, whatever that's supposed to mean. Anyway, the National Guard ask her to leave the property and call the police, who arrive and find the vehicle she drove there in has fictitious plates. Further investigations reveal her licence is suspended, so they impound the vehicle. But not before the whole family, who are completely nuts, turn up. This is where the video begins.
Meg, you will not be allowed to drive it without power.
Tell them what's going on, Christy. Christy!
What?
Tell them what's going on.
I came to the National Guard to look for help because I couldn't find it anywhere else. And they get here and they see that I have my plate on here that they say is illegal. And
Ms. Crow, here's your citation for driving under suspension and fictitious plates. You've got court on Wednesday, January 24th, 2024, 1 p.m. in Alliance Municipal Court. You must attend or there will be a warrant issue for you.
I love that he did that. I personally feel like he did that deliberately so that him providing her with the citation, there's no argument. It's on camera that she received it. She accepted it. I legitimately think he did that deliberately.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it. You're a good man.
Stay off the road. They're right now towing her vehicle illegally.
Okay, first of all, if the way he broke up the conversation with those two to issue her those citations doesn't tell you this cop is done with this sovereign citizen nonsense, then keep watching because he destroys their whole world next by citing the 10th Amendment. And secondly, if driving a truck on fictitious plates while your license is suspended is not illegal,
Morning,
then
Devins.
I don't know what is.
I'll take it easy.
You got the ignition key. Tow truck here.
We're all recorded too.
That's fine.
Tenth Amendment to the Constitution. Oh, here we go. Under the Bill of Rights, it gives power to the states to create their own laws, which states allow the city to create theirs as well.
Oh, so
she's actually being cited under a state law.
Under state law, not a city law?
Well, she's being cited under both. Driving under suspension is a city law, and then the fictitious plates is a state law. So that falls under the Constitution and us sticking to our...
Okay.
Don't argue with me.
I don't argue, sir.
No, come on, you must have an argument against the 10th Amendment. You're ignoring state law by driving around on fictitious American national plates. You cite the Constitution and question their oath. Surely you must have something. Or did your guru not tell you about the 10th Amendment? Yeah, sounds about right. Good on this cop for calling out this clear hypocrisy.
Are you aware of the 10th Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, which gives the power to the states to dictate law? That's actually the 10th Amendment.
I'm not arguing. I don't agree. I don't argue. I don't know who called them.
Well, you know who called them.
They did. They were taking pictures of us,
they
too.
Sure did. Our National Guard.
Yep. Okay.
Almost as if the National Guard had no intention of dealing with their bullshit.
It's not a private tow.
Well, I pay it for it.
He works for the city.
I pay it for it. Why can't I have it towed where I want it to?
No, it's going to Mel's.
Because he works for the city.
Because tow,
It's going to Mel's.
Mel's, they have a monopoly, man.
It's going to Mel's.
It's a monopoly.
It's going to Mel's. Leave it here.
They're the tower.
I know I can't leave it here. I said, why can't I have it towed?
It's a block away, much shorter than Mel's.
Do you have the ignition
I
key?
can pay him.
Okay, I need
to have it towed right there now. Why is how?
I'd much rather have him drive it up than it getting pulled on there.
I know, you too.
What place?
Well, obviously you're going to ask me if I continue to drive the light.
Can I please have the ignition?
Yes, I want the other keys though.
That's all right. I'll take them off. Monday. I mean, what's the big deal? I ain't heard no money.
Here's a novel idea. Stop breaking the law. That way you get to drive your vehicle home instead of watching it go down the road on the back of a tow truck to wherever it ends up at. And yes, you hurt the state, i.e. the tax-paying public, by driving on roads you refuse to pay for. So drop the victim complex attitude.
Damn it.
It's not
This is
like
where I
he
need
was
the
driving on
stop
the
breaking the law.
street.
asshole.
Nobody's hurt.
He wasn't driving on the street.
Well, we can't speak for other officers.
Here you go.
Okay, no, and I'm going to ask you. I try to be right.
You got a
Can I just have it towed?
Right down on Bonnet.
That
we'll
plate
pay
is
him
ours
and
and I
it'll
want it.
stay set. There, we did.
I'm sorry, no. Tomorrow here, just down the road. I got nothing. Okay, well, no. I'll pay you cash or whatever.
If he gives you a dollar amount for how much it'll cost to take it to your house,
That's right, I'll pay you. Well, I don't have a problem.
Give him the cash right then when he does it.
just bought air. You know where take liquor and bought air. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8.
Yeah, you guys work that out. If you guys work that out,
they're
it's
taking
okay
it to their house.
Well, Divins, tune in on a Friday because we're going to do an entire deep dive into the basis for soft citizenry, both in America and here in Australia. Because I need to try and wrap my head around this craziness, and I'm either going to turn myself insane, or I'm going to laugh harder at these morons.
Captain Barnhouse for all our time, and I've been here 26 years. So.
I know it was before your time.
Yes.
It's his son, I think, is a police officer somewhere.
I know he was
or
Smith.
something.
I know he was Smith. I know it was on Smith Township.
Going insane.
Now we got the truck loaded up. She's got her sight. They said they don't want you guys here, so you guys gotta head out, okay?
Okay.
All right. We don't want to trespass anybody or anything like that if we don't have to. You understand what I'm saying?
Can I ask you a question?
What's up?
Technically, like, I go to work and pay my taxes.
Right.
So technically, I do pay for this, correct?
Nope. No. This is funded by the federal government.
Well, do my tax dollars go towards the federal government?
But that also doesn't make it. This isn't public. This is private.
All about this size.
If they don't want you here, you can't be here.
Correct, but if I pay for it, that's why I don't understand.
You didn't pay for it.
It's just funny the National Guard
Look,
will
it's
get the
very
fuck out.
simple. If they want you off the property for whatever reason, you have to leave or you can be subject to arrest for trespassing. You do not have carte blanche to be on the property just because a portion of your tax dollars fund it. What about that is so hard to understand?
Do you know who paid for it?
No, not exactly. But I do know that this isn't public property. This isn't a park. This isn't anything like that offered by the city. Same thing with Walmart.
So does that make
yes? What's that?
Does that make the United States government privately owned company?
I don't know that. I wouldn't say that at all. I would say that right now they don't want you on the property, so you have to leave.
Okay, that's fine. I can leave. It's just the way you're saying it. It makes it sound like the government, the United States government, is privately owned company.
Nope, I'm not trying to say that whatsoever. I'm trying to say that this is private property. They want you to leave. You have to leave.
Okay.
I don't want to arrest anybody if I don't have to.
But you just don't know who owns it, correct?
It's the Ohio National Guard.
Okay, so the state of Ohio owns it?
I'm not sure.
Okay.
Regardless.
So someone is paying for it?
I would assume somebody had to build it.
Yeah.
I don't want to sit here and have this conversation.
Okay.
He's done. He's over
Well,
it.
thank you.
Absolutely.
I do appreciate.
His body cam connected to. Holy crap! He has his body cam pinned to his beanie.
Thank you very much.
That's
I do
awesome.
appreciate
You're welcome.
it.
Don't forget the National Guard will not help you.
I thought maybe they would get JAG involved, but they're too busy doing their own thing.
Yeah. But
they had no reason to call the police officer.
I mean, I don't understand. Our
Did
tax
they come
dollars
out
are
and
not
ask-
paying for this.
Did they come out and ask you to leave the property?
No.
Well,
But
then
he did say it's not our tax dollars paying for this.
Oh, it isn't?
So does that mean the United States government is a privately owned company if we're not paying for it? Yeah.
It is a corporation, the United States government.
So our tax dollars do not pay for this. So where's our tax dollars going?
Yeah.
So let me get this straight. That 2 to 3 minute conversation she had there with a random cop who, let's face it, didn't really know much about where he was or who paid the bills, was enough to validate every single one of hers and the family's conspiracy theories. That is both sad and scary at the same time.
I can't understand how they can evict me from a property and they have no I know, that's what I don't understand.
Yeah.
They didn't even come back out. They didn't even ask us to leave. They just called the police to get us, so they get some money out of us.
So if the United States government is not paid, who's paying the military?
Good question. Who
if
is?
we're not paying them, if they're not working for us, who are they working for?
These guys work for the city, they said.
Well,
policy enforcers.
So who pays them?
I give up who?
I don't know. But yes, this is an illegal tow in my eyes.
It sure is. I came here for help.
Yep.
From the National Guard. They did not ask me to leave. I could have left, and I should have.
Yep.
Probably shouldn't have went there in the first place then.
Get that coffee one.
I already did.
So there we are, guys. Another self-proclaimed state national right to travel fail. Not sure if he got his wish to have his truck towed home, but I'll drop a link to the original for anyone with an inquiring mind. Right, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, then please leave me a like, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you also to my channel members and patrons for your continued support. I really appreciate it. And if you would like to support my work and get early access to videos like this, then the links to do all that are in the description. Right.
And in the meantime, I'm going to call it a night because it's now 1 AM. So, as always, people, remember, you are not a piece of shit. You have value and do contribute to society, especially for being here. Thank you to everybody that has recently subscribed if you're watching this, or thank you to everyone watching who is a return viewer. Most people that watch, surprisingly, are not subscribed. So, you know, maybe just hit that subscribe button, double check whether or not you are still subbed if you are new here. Well, no, if you're old here, I should say. But as always, you're not a piece of shit. You have value and do contribute to society, especially for being here. Hit that like button, and yes, I'm in daylight savings. It sucks. Peace out, peeps.
This shit, I'm out. Fuck this shit, I'm out. No thanks. Don't mind me. I'ma just grab my stuff and leave. Excuse me, please. Fuck this shit, I'm out. Nope. Fuck this shit, I'm out. Alright then. I don't know what the fuck just happened, but I don't really care. I'ma get the fuck up out of here. Fuck this shit, I'm out.